no sabri ye the bail condition e dey opportunity so.
Okay, and number one, Ubaka said issue about out now. One of the descriptions of Shatala Wale was a person of interest. Now, so you see, we are a person of interest. Let's just say you can enjoy opportunities across the group, and now say vulnerabilities to a very high. Vulnerability is just a nyama how. And so, who as a person now you have become a person of interest, you need to be made aware, or you need to know, say, you are a person of interest. Then number two, we must be over several options as an investigator, and as the head of an investigative agency called Yoko. One of the options, or one is all investigative agencies. Normally, they will put out the crimes under which they are investigating somebody or they are charging the person. But ever since Raymond took over from Yoko, he has never exercised that option. And the investigation will start here, the towing of the car and many of those things. No, now the general public were not aware. Shatawale, maybe it should need play and I'm not begin to follow. So that is one point. Number two, I'm not for name CIA and FBI, but there are other very serious institutions in the US. You don't want to have anything negative to do with them. One of them is Department of Defense. Other one is Department of Justice. Other one is Pentagon. And the White House and Qatar. And Homeland Security. One of the other serious one is State Department. Who share case we are saying JNANA Kokotoka Kahwaba. One of the critical institutions who is interested in this matter is State Department. Before say FBI, NCI for Benin side, a State Department, and then let an be Yokobaya, no, not Department of Justice to Diabom. Let us say the very serious institutions are. You don't want to have anything negative to do with them. They are all interested in this case. So what is my advice? Anytime you come under crime notice, or you have come under national security interest, or you have come under crime investigation, number one, do not dictate to the investigators. Number two, don't put out awkward behavior. Number three, keep your mouth shut, because when you keep on speaking, you express a position of negativity, and answer you'll be acting from a position of weakness. Now, they can be exploited against you as a vulnerability. The reason why you must not put out awkward behavior and say, as investigators, let me say, you know, my year over 29 years.
All right.
This January is 29 years. We can be very, very nice, but we can also be very, very rough. And you're part of the training. And the laws we work with also allows it. That is why security agencies and investigative agencies are not built to be friendly. They are very offensive. And to me, this is what we are. Simple and short. Yenya Chatawale, your body, statesman, celebrity, you pronounce them because you need to be organa. Wakoto car, because they say the car is as a result of proceed of crime. Now, proceed of crime traces a money laundering. Now, money laundering traces a financial crime. Now, financial crime traces a tax evasion. Now, tax evasion traces a fraud and also criminality. And see, in our laws in this country, when you buy a stolen item, you and the one who stole the item, you have the same liability. And to me, this is where we are. Almost inviting us to the lawyer.
Okay.
The investigation traveled deep into the night. And they have placed a bail amount on him.
Okay.
And if he doesn't meet the bail amount, he has to be there with them till they meet the bail amount. Secondly, because of table number 1, table number 2, table number 3, table number 4, that says that all crimes are available. Yoko can go to court and tell the judge that they need him for several days. And if they persuade the court will allow them. But look at it in this case, they charged him yesterday. And you have to be charged when you are in the presence of the investigator. And they place a bail amount of 10 million. If he meets the bail amount, he's gone. If he doesn't, then he has to be there with them for some time.
Richard Kumado, you bet me can say Shall we share charges here? Yoko for actual ten a wabukra temu, a diabo brantia shatawalia. Dear bet me a yin with Frimwana.
Oh no, that is why you need a lawyer in times such as this. You need a lawyer. Because you know, as investigators and prosecutors, you know, and as a strictly security intelligence, we have studied the law and we have studied several things. So you need a lawyer to create a leverage for you, and not you yourself defending yourself. Sometimes you can do it. If you are non-Chakikaka, who is the law himself, you can have problems. What are the charges? Some of them are tax evasion, financial crime, money laundering, association with certain people, many of those ones. The lawyers have a way of looking at it.
Okay.
Now, sometimes it means the charges like 20, now you're above.
SOMPA
You better court, now you're reducing about 5. And answer about 3.
Okay.
And so these are charges. Let the lawyers who has the competency deal with it and we'll be fine.
Okay, but Usha Shatawale, a brassami started say Bubo Bana. On one Casaba Mountain, Ebekika, Casabimo, added to Mountain. You feel, says Casano, Bekika, Yanin, someone, whatever to a Montano, and ya diabetes, Buano, our assam way dimu.
When you have come under crime notice and you have come under investigation notice, and the notice is served, whether privately or publicly, one, you do not dictate to the investigation agency or to the investigator. Number 2, you do not decide when to appear and when not to appear. When they say appear at 10 o'clock, you cannot say you are coming at 3 p.m. because you are going to farm. You do not put up awkward behavior. And you do not speak anyhow because you might be creating vulnerabilities for yourself. And you might be acting from a position of weakness. And that can be used against you. Because on it, investigators. And she said, somebody can't start here. And then said, you are only being investigated for the car. On the new charge be about tax evasion. And see, that is the way it goes. I cannot speak for him. Case with PA, I was the first person to the 3-4th player, and I mean advising or admonishing.
Me crano, I be say if you have crowd, if you crowd, I would do if you told the man.
Exactly. But they didn't listen. I have done it for 29 years. I can tell you, they didn't listen. I know exactly what I was talking about. And then there are several issues because what I said. When they went for the car and he agreed with them that they shouldn't tow the car because of the image, man, yet. Because of your statesman, and we don't have a lot of them celebrities here. And can one court TV and TikTok or can say Raymond did not bring the charges out. Raymond did not say many of those ones. So to every cause there's a reaction.
Oh, okay.
And we used to say, who let the dog out?
Mama Kaisa and who let the dogs out? Whoa. But there is another issue also here. JNANA says CID for Akostomi is it Adom City. Na Emrante Bia, Wamu Yebe 39. Na Wamu suspect is Wamu cyber criminal, Sabri. One Achiromo na Sanko Mebeto Jano. But I say, if you move Kase, na Ghana had you many here. Say Jumana and Branch any year and on Woody. You being a cyber security expert, you know. If I talk a future banner, would have about 1 year Kikasar.
And is that and who he has already become that question because you know that I'll be very angry. Because I know being a Demoko, a coach, a call, 5 years, 10 years, and I get I'm a party to with you. And so whatever you are doing, remember, it may take 10 years, it may take 5 years. There are ramifications. Show me your friend and I'll show you your character. And so for me, crime, irrespective of the crime and whoever is involved. If your crime says that you have to go to prison for 5 years, and the state authority said this is your first time of committing that crime, or you have put up a good behavior, so go for 1 year or don't go at all, or go and do community service, then you know that the crime you committed has 5 years imprisonment, or these are the punitive actions. But to say ejuma ha ejuma ne bi na ene ha na galamsey akwa creative problem amaya ene helicopter ko hwiase nipa 8 wo ye no enche da yan say ye be hwe ni ye na say yan hwe ni ye a crime the ramifications any consequences the brain and
okay
nipa na ukoji ni sika using online fraud unim no unim manyame ausmo
yeah
unim ni nyame unim nyama ya kaye unim bibi ofri na wo ya wo no unim hwan na baye. So there are ramifications. What goes wrong will come around.
Okay.
It's just a matter of time. So we have to be careful and not to be. No, when you are a small boy, I can understand. But when you are 28, you are 30, and you jump to 40, there are some things we don't do.
Right.
No, there are some things we don't do. Particularly when you are heading towards 40.
All right.
35, 37, 38, we don't do. No. And and there are ways of using the social media to benefit yourself. Become a creator. We are creator can Facebook better.
Yeah, no great.
TikTok better. Twitter better. And to use your time rather and your data. Bonfire says some dogs demand data work of creator content. There's politics everywhere. Talk to the politicians, make fun of them and praise them. You will make a lot of money. Your followers will grow and you'll be fine.
Richard Kumado, afo marako akpenosia.
Thank you.
Akpenosia.
If your phone storage is always full,
listen to me. Say, Ossie. Automatic forfeiture.
MPP.
Or a deadly party.
Why?
Deadly. I'm telling you. I'm coming. Say. Ossie, or your automatic forfeiture. No, no, automatic forfeiture. So when I apply, obey fuzi. So when we poll, we are the BB of a position there. They will make reference to it.
IOB.
Yeah, guy, yeah, friend. In the kitchen, Penichow, the onshore uncle. So what's onshore? Because he's dealing with a deadly people. They can
Reading you.
Heavenly Father.
What be some says action no and as an amono 1 year to ana.
Obia report to matter police. Nobody has reported the matter to the police. They see any statements issue your ministry issue they are calling on the police to investigate me. Nobody has done any official report out to police. The police saying she will be no investigations.
But could the hospital authorities per action now when we take here? What would you mean to report to the matter to the police?
Question back. Una only director or regional hospital. Now only minister general about Samo. No, we need power and lead to the speaker in this matter. No, minister no chiano ebona chine nesrea. Do you have the balls to go and report such an individual?
But for the record's sake,
they can't. He's even now. He will be afraid for his job. Also, when saw me, will be out. The minister put the say, "I'm going to report now. Watching again about to me." So he is even afraid for his job. Maybe on one team in Camille, make a man. Also,
all right. So, secondly, coming to the assault case on the lady, because lady, no, actually, rough personally. Nensana yes or no, one no responsible for it, and also Ghana Medical Association on the part of the assault, you know, say a brood 1 year back, or no, you say actually nipa ba kodie, but the person at the center of this controversy, a rough, you know, say no Ghana Medical Association, then pa na mo pese aban a year through the Ministry of Health.
You did this by now, no, I was saying he actually. Yeah, prepared in a court. It need not from Rasu so yeah, court such a court sell or Bonijana. At least in himself, he left from a person of Portegano.
1 year Bonibia, there was no assault. Ufi said, "Yeah, we are here, dear." Now, Oku Amagana for okay, very well. So, who say asam no security for no? Yenya mo no mo nyo. No. Listen. No, I have the right. I have If you see something, say something. So Raf, I will Raf. Me say me interview here. That one I've not seen, but that is what the girl is alleging. So let's wait for the police. Hey, Rafi! That was older. Now Christo away.
So be your agenda and no crazy dima. Nana no ma we did no over from now the town.
And to Baba Hudia. And to Raf Hudia.
Mr. Vampire.
That's empire, but traditionally near Diabo.
Oh, now what kind of time? Mr. Meya Pie after Nana.
Now, Uzu Ya Pie after Nana, that's his own Quacobobia.
Maybe I'm in Cat, I want to walk. But
that is the inference we are getting. As a try, no.
Nata Abotchie say the old canning qua. Nata no crabby baby say, gay and turn an old cattle Ralph as well. And that what I'm on the crab yadi, oh, my one after.
Okay, so Ralph, we can say, you are going to consult your gods. And with this particular issue, you consult your gods.
Oh, now we can't tell me another making.
So, any be about
any Nyano, me proceed video, me catch Nipa no ye involved in it. Uncle can kind Exodus chapter 20, verse 16. And yet, by Menameka, who can keep Bible not who will be all my making kind my.
The battle also the Exodus day.
Exodus 20.
Exodus 2015.
Exodus 2015.
You can't know.
Exodus 20. Most of women toss me. Etire Adrenunum 2015. And Mokron. Ini adansi krum. Emma wane mre wo nyonku fi ana negere ana na sonfo. Ana na nantwi ana nimfum ana ne bibia eye ne de. That's right.
Raf, what?
But I don't say I dance to Krumu.
Betty.
And the Bible crash in the other to Krumu, you are more dreadful.
Raf, Medasi, so bad you made it. Okay, so who got 37 as some mean, Mama Kaima, Bida, as some of the baby Tribunamu Galamsey demonstration, as we see quite. We see quite now a idea, will be Yadia, Yedin hospital. And so double track, mammy. And yes, so can say, Send it back who cry not ye and pimpim qua. So with your anchor and ye be out. Rap Sassam, a idea who can as a wanka.
I did you a war, some kind. Not I look at me, the dam would know of it. Say, I make one to the and I about to battle. And at the system, no about it. So be it. Because Ghana swallow of Yamaya who can be paying for politics every 3 years ago. Idea is you ought to have an taking. A cook for a pummy, a cook for mammy, a cook for former, a cook for 4 years.
SOMPA FM.
Until when? In a gun, the politics that don't say. But over when you are and I back at Cabino, and I will be back to our sector, and I'll class it. Say that, Dano. As some of the kind, I was being sarcastic.
Yeah, Rafi, let me also. Okay, Bill.
1 minute. That's another kind. I was being sarcastic. That's your money. Him and the man come on it. Obianca. Not a man who say, would you do? You should have said, I come with him. People less than 200. And I make that kind of demonstration. Meanwhile, in there, I'm walking to no Okate. Now, Rafi, the company. So I got to demonstration. Okay,
Rap, before I end the conversation with you, one invasion of privacy our hospital hono. Would you say why you home from Swana?
Invasion of privacy
at the hospital hall say would you come for ye emergency ward hono? Do you foresee say no I am from Swakasian Wayana?
I did die not for no. And then for Swat is never gonna for say the back no one. But video be trying ɛyɛ asɛm bi a ɛne ɛda hɔ twɛn.
Okay, apolisifoɔ to ɔmo nsa frɛ wo a ɛyɛ adeɛ a wɔbɛkɔ.
Na obi a me ne ɛko sɛ ɔman no yɛde mmara ɛbɛyɛ adwuma yɛbɛtoto nneɛma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ mmara bɛyɛ adwuma no na policefoɔ yɛ obi a yɛsɛ ɔmo frɛ a ɛmi sɛ ɔmo frɛ the medical superintendent ɔmo frɛ the range hospital foɔ no because ɛnibia o sɛ mi video na mi yɛ no wɔ live na apolicefoɔ wɔ hospital hɔ medical superintendent a ɔne ne nta akando a ɔyɛ minister of health ɛpie yɛ a mi bɛ si ɔmo wɔ hospital n'anim no na ɔwɔ hɔ saa bɛɛ no. Kena mabu obi a ninte dislocate here. Na na se obi e de nta obi a nipa bi pra a ende. Ghana registered nurses for a kebia. Ina police one show bi as abem. Ko tanka na jere die. Ko be tu ati obi. E ba ne sen. O se video ni mpo. Na bi a police for all kasa. Say, mo ma ba duty. Ate mo ti ya gidigidi. See a police o me maintain peace and order. Na me ba. Na e so mo sie na juma. Say ọ̀nà sùn nípa yàrá ọ̀bẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nínú ọ̀yẹ́ ní bí àná. ẹ̀ka wo polisi ní ọ̀tún ayé kẹ̀ rọ́bìn kọ́ so a yẹ̀bẹ̀ ká tọ̀ sẹ̀ kọ́ n'akọ́nàkọ́ di nípa nkwa bá o kọ́ náà tu káwọn láti ẹ̀dọ̀ ọba hospital náà náà ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n sọ ọ̀nà díẹ̀ òbí àmà ní pẹ̀lẹ́tà ó bẹ wú o.
Pato.
Prof.
Pato.
Prof.
David na prof ní jí sọ ní nyẹ́mi dẹ̀. Pato.
Prof.
Aha afẹ́rẹ́ akasa sẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ fi ẹ̀ náà o.
Na ebuja
ye. Na ebuja.
Na ebuja.
We dey na the kaka in a tifo.
The kaka tifo.
The kaka in a tifo. But of course, yes. We started with the issue of Shatawale. And ye ne a cyber security site. Ayu ra Richard Kumado ekasa Emma all the futu edema. And of course give some kind of advice to Sasam na see wa bra Shatawale. Meno kasi wakwakoto eye kebia car no ye believe say sika na ye de to car no beton man no na eye krono sika enu ntino ema yokufo eto nsa efre eye Shatawale enra ye ne opanyin Richard Kumado edi nkomo ema ne di futu edi ma eye ebebunu a na womutie na mmabunu bi so a womuso aposifo akwakoso omumu a so I don't know. It's a Ghana Hanumono. Yes, I don't know what has become of the country as we speak now. But as I want to put across, you know, Mbebunu no yebesero mo say womunyabotre. Pato womunyabotre. Yes, womunyabotre. Because idea hard be pa. Because if you want to be there and be going out there and to make sure say wono idea wo be ye wo be bomodin na wakwa swindle amanfo ajo musika. I don't know Richard Kumado kan say woni a ukwa jo musika no wonim busuma o busum wonim ade nsem o makan guso wonim niema edi omachi ti we ni nsem a enra eye Richard Kumado afutu a wode ma ye enra ewo live ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM but enra eye Iyoko boss.
Okay.
Iyoko boss.
Okay.
Your friend is opinion the crowd didn't say Remonacha enra Remonacha so etu nenum tu moment ko tie de opinion Remonacha so e kan he
the perpetrators the proceeds of their crime and crimes are sophisticated these days. People are making money and buying crypto. For us, as we have stated, this is to detect, this is to investigate, this is to prosecute. And not just prosecute, also to deny the perpetrators the proceeds of their crime. And crimes are sophisticated these days. Okay. People are making money and buying crypto. We're happy to also announce that Iyoko has now one of the few licenses in West Africa for forensic crypto investigations. We have actually successfully, I think for the first time in Africa now, investigated, confiscated, and about to return the proceeds of crypto fraud back to the country. And so...
All right, so Adra... Kasano, he made mention of those cryptocurrency issues. no so I believe say it's a part there and also enam so a man for the year fraud year memo. Today we'll be talking about galamsey. Today we'll be talking about galamsey. Galamsey. So buying Ghana say betimi to asiye and I say intimi to asiye no. Today we'll be taking a look at that right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. So people, all we want to urge you do is to make sure you keep listening to a SOMPA 106.5 FM. But you know kaya next nina or say ya assault no obano yankoti onoso de onoso over the weekend in some ways you see yes per se and then we'll bring them up to speed with exactly what the outcomes are.
He wanted us to leave everybody and attend to him. So we explained to him. Right. Okay. We explained to him. And then he was like, he wouldn't sit down. And then my in-charge told him to get a card, a hospital card. He said, why should he get a hospital card? Because his name must be in the system. Once his name is tied in the system, it should everything should pop up. And my in-charge said, no, it's not done like that in Ghana. There he was angry because he was told it's not done that. That is not done in Ghana. And he started insulting us. We don't want Ghana to progress. Then he brought out the phone. But initially, I did a pressure dressing for him. In his finger that he said it was bleeding. It had bled. The blood had dried. So I just had to put a gauze on him so that we really assure him. He wasn't happy about it, so he took off the dressing I did for him. Then I approached him and I told him that I've done a dressing for you, so be patient. We have 2 trauma cases and other cases too are there. We want us to leave them. He got angry and he started yes. So he did this to me. And then when he went out, I don't know where the guys came from. Most of the health workers saw them earlier, so they had leave. I didn't see them. And then they, from my back to my chest, and then they were just...
Did you push you? Were you pushed? What did they do? What did they do to you?
Yes, I was hit. I don't know if it was a fist, a tap. I can't describe the...
But what happened to your hands?
Raphael, I don't know, Raph did this to me. He hit me with the phone with the fist. And I even dodged a couple of the fists. And they hit me. But right now I have this dislocation on my shoulder. And some headaches and body pain.
Thank you very much.
To add up, he was telling us he will follow us to our homes and beat us. And take one life and...
Okay, Ebushafo, Yanity say health minister Suba Bonting. Ebeka say, won't say assembly see, Now man for Eka say, Omuntia say health minister. Eko na okoso eye raf mu. A pattern on his back, a hageno. And also I am ensemble the baby. A man for Casafa who say the health minister, a question say, I say, or endorse the rough a year, what do you also think? I know, say, health minister so about Bonting ever kai, but I'm trying to see if I can get his voice to also let us know the health minister also ever kai, because now I say, granting the press conference, he was a bit angry about what actually the issue was. And you say you been the health minister so can that on so ya watching in the team for live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Remember, a breast one, you I'm also the adventure Ababeboa. Yes, my reliable friend is also here. Honorable Akando on the issue of RAF.
Inti mi wie we nyina no a mi pie abonten no na obi a omo draw my attention ka chem say friend Raf na mo nsantwerefo bebre mu ho minim no mi ka say Raf na ye kan asem na ye den na sa asem we see na Raf no mi bisa ne sa na oten ne nsa sa obecham no aka bibia gumasum adofo mintimi mpushi nipa yi mintimi mmono na in fact the kanku masum ni say minister meba office ma bechechire o menso medim. And as some siswa, I saw tea afternoon in Inti Bonia Maya and say Ganani. What striking in Sasse, or Professor Chiami, Namasuma Chiani. Nasaman Chianos rank and them what they work differently. The conversation would have been different today. If I had refused to greet him, I'm very sure that the conversation would have been different today. Inti Chiani. And non just say, there was a piano, Yachian inti, Yentumi Yasanema. Inti Yabasram, there was a piano who would do it. Inti mi wie we nyina no a mi pie abonten no na obi a omo draw my attention ka chem say friend Raf na mo nsantwerefo bebre mu ho minim no mi ka say Raf na ye kan asem na ye den na sa asem we see na Raf no mi bisa ne sa na oten ne nsa sa obecham no aka bibia gumasum adofo mintimi mpushi nipa yi mintimi mmono na in fact the kanku masum ni say minister meba office ma bechechire o menso medim. And as some siswa, I saw tea afternoon in Inti Bonia Maya and say Ganani. What striking in Sasse, or Professor Chiami, Namasuma Chiani. Nasaman Chianos rank and them what they work differently. The conversation would have been different today. If I had refused to greet him, I'm very sure that the conversation would have been different today. Inti Chiani. And non just say there was a piano, Yachian inti, Yentumi Yasanema. Inti Yabasram, there was a piano who would do it. And so any attempt by any individual or any group of people to try to incite the health professionals against government, pretending he cares more than us, is unfortunate. And we must stop that. It's an avoidable tension we must avoid. It doesn't help the sector. If indeed you are a practicing health professional in the sector, it doesn't help the sector. And so when the delegation came back, I had to follow up. So after the closed door meeting, I came out to address the press to categorically condemn the physical attack. And that is the most important aspect. And for me, let me at this point reiterate to the whole country that irrespective of the level of provocation at any health facility in this country, nobody, irrespective of your status in society, absolutely nobody has the right to attack any health professional in this country.
All right, so we shall for SOMPA 106.5 FM. Here for God and country. Sir Minamuka say, Sir Mati, the health minister, Honorable Akando, so Ede Betuja, Abra no Kase, or no Kohono, Enyadia, Sir Okochia, Raf no, na Raf no, na Adia, Yamana Kosoro no Kofuaso, Nemum no Koho, Echo Kame, Tempest, Nemum, or say the Ekosu hospital Honedie. And were condemning it outright. But no, Kasano Kebi say, you see, a branch be the RAF. Now, RAF no, so Okase no unim noa. And what the many health minister nyadring because me kai during the times of demonstration, especially against Galamsey, there were a series of Fred is saying demonstrations are now RAF ekamo. And the RAF as he is now health minister. So nim abranti and say or no na na yes ade no e ho de atwema adwen kakra na Shatawale de no so no moma enko tie Sami Flex de okan ye ono Shatawale manager after the release. So let's take a listen.
I am actually not coming to do Q&A. I'm here to supply information to you guys, and that's it. But the good news is that Shatawale has been granted bail and he has been released finally at the moment he's to go home. Once again, another good news is that the bail conditions was reduced from 10 million to 5 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties. And that is what we are all happy about. So to the media guys who came to cover this event, to the fans especially, and to the management people, as well as some friends and supporters of the event, we want to say we are grateful. God bless you so much, and thank you for your continuous support. Shatawale is ever grateful to you guys for whatever you've done for him. I'm sure from time to time you guys will be hearing from him very soon. So to everybody around the world watching, Shatawale has been given bail and he's
I was for the shatter car here, and also no, yeah, the better so, but the OT is a shatter manager, Samiflex, the ono car, but quickly, let's take a listen to Shatta Wale after his release from Yoko.
My dad, Leslie, to Samiflex, to P. Dan, Joy, everybody, that has been supportive with this. And to the fans, I owe you, a beautiful concert one of these days because you guys have been, supportive. I heard some of you came there from morning and you didn't want to leave, but as you've seen my video, you should know that Shatta is safe. The king is safe. One Don is safe, and I'm home now. And I just want to say a big thank you for supporting, and for being around me in times like this, because I needed you guys the most, because you guys are the ones that hold me down. Once again, I want to say, a big thank you to everybody that has been in support of this, Shouts to me, original One Don, who has been the father to me too, and he's been very supportive to us as well. To all the staff of Yoko, you guys have been wonderful. At least I came there, you guys really took me through.
Ghana party.
Prof.
Now, who your Shatta voice?
But Shatta then that you chiri.
Sir.
Man.
1 3. Hey, Patrick.
Man, too, Prof.
You are not on the streets.
And I am also from
Debut, you are not on the streets.
Debbie, me the streets in the ministry.
Only streets, Debbie. But street boys, no dear.
Aye.
Street boys.
Debut.
As someone Shatta can say, or the fans I say, what done the manager say, what that you go for so I say.
I profit.
I mean, that's a real. And I say that I'm street in the soul. Yes, street in the area. So what I say. Hey, now Shatta voice is with the wall. Oh, they be Sarfo in the street. Because I don't BBC or her. Sarfo Johnny Jami. Sure. Minister Bright. You know what it also. A star boy. Yeah. See that woman. Sure. What's up? What is summer? What is summer?
Also, there's summer.
What is summer?
There's a summer to me.
Way. Yeah, what street it also has to hold here. Charlie, but there is one thing that is happening in this country. Attention must be paid to. Attention seriously must be paid to. The issue of Galamsey. Let's listen to some of the things. Boys, keka.
So my again say, ba enemy Germany na America. My money obi ahwe mama, wo kwa na America sa kire wo. Kemani ye. Na mom ye post my no, eno nkire say ye ntena fie ndidi o. Se mo se enya Galamsey ndidi a an roba na ye be start with the minister himself.
Look at this.
Manso kwanta, this assembly o ye ko wi awo mo. Child state fund na ba. Educational fund any fence eniema ska o say the ball man bra no. Se ba office wa, you know the right time man start the ba. You akosi o maje.
So you see all these things happening in the country.
Professor,
so I don't know. The moral fiber of this country has been destroyed.
Wow.
So who said why? This guy must be arrested. The video is all over social media circulating. Wow.
So mama Galamsey na amroba no be start.
I'm be starting. This guy
or that's to police when invite him.
I just don't know. Because when I saw this on radio, I saw it on social media, I was like, wow, Ghana habibi.
This is a serious statement.
That's a serious statement. When they want to edge our security services, they would have to take action against some of these unscrupulous beings in our country. They would have to take serious action. I take exception to this kind of person may use some words on radio. Why?
I was saying
say
I'm a one Galamsey.
Galamsey, you go into robbery, telling government that statutory funds you release edema the various MMDCs, the various assemblies. They know the time all those monies will come and they will intercept and interrupt. I don't know why this guy has not been picked as of yet. Ghana Police Service.
And now
no, they have seen. Because some share the way I circulating on social media is gone so viral. It's gone so viral. It's gone so viral. And I was also alarmed by this particular one. Joseph Yamin, on we are the national organizer for the NDC.
Telling the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, sir, as a matter of urgency, immediately he should order the stop of any mining operations being carried out. Near tax forces for no number or more yano can never be said as fighting illegal mining, but rather extorting monies and creating problems. Until Omanpenyi order the IGP, the Interior Minister, whichever tax force be said, they should immediately halt all the operations. And how you need obia or legal minor, tax force is now nominal. Him found almost checking the documents of people who are mining and where they are mining and whether they have permit to mine or they don't have permit to mine. Of questions to be answered. There are a lot of education to be given. And until I make us our man paying halt to all operations and let us sit down and find a very lasting solution to this problem. Then we ne binum botoma yama and sone and solve a problem. The problem by solving a problem.
So what did Joseph Yamin say? You know, Ebekaya and Cherviani yet is Ura Joseph Yamin, and then I think the second is he the national vice chairman of the NDC in Ashanti region has been ordered to submit to some investigations by the IOCO. What has happened to those investigations that is alleging say Yamin any Abanga wamu friend is a Galamsey. What has happened to those investigations? It's for too long a time. What has happened? And you know the NDC government, let me give them thumbs up because they have come up with a group known as NIMOS. Sa NIMOS, you know, they are now composing the task force to fight against this illegal menace called Galamsey. And interestingly, do you know what happened just about a week ago? I hear some of these unscrupulous Galamseyers, you know, Edibetum Mountain say, Honorable Amakofi Boa, Ebimu Ababecheche, Omo excavators, any machines, no Mukasa, Omodie Galam, Omodie Juma. Nesentino, Womono, before Womobe release, machines, Nidia Momono. It was alleged, say, they were given almost $2 million. Ediama Amakofi Boa. Which was wrong. You see, you were anchrophobia, yes, say. You were anchrophobia, woman parody who as security operatives are. Woman nam Galamsey site, woman yeding, woman namwa, woman say, woman chechi Galamseyers.
Okay.
And even crano, one more legal miners in the crano, all mukra license, one more miner crano, almost chichines anchrophoro, ediju almost excavators, ediju almost cars, any machines are on the edge.
As security operators.
As security operatives.
Okay.
Now, so when you say, soldier for 4B or higher,
yeah.
And it's alleged that there are some persons within the NDC who are doing this particular this kind of arrest.
Okay.
And normal cover those tags believed to be soldiers. And nobody nam sites, and I want more a man for excavators in Yama. No more Jijia, no more go baby. Go baby, so now some group of Grofobis or Musu soldiers. Not almost more, no almost more.
Okay.
And to do good trouble more, not just all the one day Eddie Abrom.
I find Martin Yokan in Asi.
I find what I say. So why must we do that? NDC about power. John Mahama say no to Galamsey.
That's right.
But some persons within the NDC say, because during the NPP time, now NPP for no be allegedly no muso ye Galamsey. And thwarting the effort of the government in fighting against Galamsey. In no time, yabeti omonka Ghana ha. And as we speak now, no, 9 months no actually, some 4 soldiers now. One say, national security operatives. One chichire amount for excavators and young all in the name of government security operatives. Stop Galamsey. How can this be so? Pato, how can this be so? This fight against Galamsey must stop. But I want to commend the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Amakofi-Boa.
Yeah.
Because I know that a Jumana Damosono, a Juma Sompa.
Prof, I know him.
A Juma Sompa. And information, me my intercepting HSA. Aye, Amakofi-Boa. So Usha 9 months now, Martina. The Interior Minister is involved. Environmental Minister is involved. National Security is involved. Ghana Police Service is involved. The Ghana Army is equally involved. Until a whole group of people are one more forming some 9 more steamer, one more dinama, one more fighting Galamsey. And when those 4 soldiers were arrested, they had claimed say, "Omo boss be one this more or no yes I don't know." Okay. Emanating from national security. But the national security has also come out to say they have not asked anybody whatsoever to go to any Galamsey site and to go and seize things. They're trying to say, I'm for the age.
The fingers are pointing at you. The fingers are pointing at you, national security. The fingers are
pointing at you. Changing power. Now NDC for me so I'm say command the kakra. And to no mobile and to buy badia and to do say ebia me ha and I be a national chairman be na pa soldier for me nubi na me the obako Galamsey site and to call her scatter na agene ne ma no ti agene ne ma no ye de begufia and to be hu ya na ebia no ne yasa de ne ma na mo escalate Saturday no na ban no hu ya ni site no almost 2 minutes at the Lands Ministry.
Okay.
Under the tutelage of Honorable Amakofi-Boa said, coordinating the activities of all the securities. Said the Beya, Sa Ekono Ebejai. Gana had yasi a dia grododo. As a Patrick, a dia gro. Agrododoso.
We are not serious in fighting.
We are not serious.
Because there is serious Galamsey.
His Excellency, the former president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Then on ye, wame. Or the presidency here to line also. And so come here, Chino. You see ye.
Or the presidency here to line.
I wanted to line also that Ekosi saying.
Ekosi saying.
Ekosi saying.
Yeah.
Ghana pa de. But Ebemi Yapa said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Befili in the fight against Galamsey.
Oh yeah.
But do you know something? One more illegal security operatives now. One more nam Galamsey site. One more dear. One more say. One more cost of Galamsey no. people who are even having licenses to mine, no more threatening, no more causes no magiska. And those people had the courage to petition the government through the lands ministry. And no more petition no choir, one release a year Sancrofodo. Excavators near accoutrement legal mining the more ebi musa fetire edebetu dwase honorable Amakufibua akwaji 2 billion no
yeah oh oni afi no wa kirem
hey galamsey yes no fight omo because they have money.
Oh yeah,
they have money.
Oh yeah,
they have money.
They do.
They have money.
Oh, they do, pa. Na money is so be was right.
You say Ghana bibia bedaniska. Enkola isuzu a saka wankwa fraud money nkwa.
Ebeka kraye nya. Nya me money me di yes.
Also ebeka krawo do hu bajim.
Mea. Oh, David.
Anase sana mete no.
Na me see ebeka.
Me see kasa se be man na Patrick. Asa wa. Asa kasa se be man.
Asam na to me so.
Ato so se nche usu kwa bia.
Da bi mi nkoye bi.
Na nka bere.
Osafo na e kasa na onyaya. But no
Osafo de Kristo di.
Osafo e Kristo ni.
Hey. Na no ode me kwa Chimota Forest no. Hey, Jai. Hey baba. Hey, Jai. Holy Ghost fire.
And that is serious.
Aye. Nana aye biafo jana bako pe. Nana international. Nana original. Nana fear. Nana dia one day pa dia. Me pese nana be di o mampenyi o Ghana. Aka galamsey we anga badaka. Ge jai.
Me fuaso.
Ovaso.
Me fuaso. Na onipa ba ko a wotimi a decorate kro. Ame kro te sia nam kro ma kro ni ho.
Ado.
E kro no nam a ewura fu o kwan ho.
Abba.
Every week be a second machine.
Abba.
E do kwan ho.
Abba.
Wa ye kro no asphalt.
CCTV camera.
CCTV camera. E ta kro no
nyina. Ya says the police station. Ya says the police station. Come. Abba for the
camera be cap.
Camera be chew.
Onipa ba kupo.
Onipa ba kupo.
Nti onipa bi said ose. Efata. So obedi yes.
Obedi yes.
Lost samani.
Abba come. So na yiri adwen se wonu ma ye di na besis. Ye di na besis. Me ameti party do. Me abochi abeti ameti party do. Hey. Na ye biafo ada. Suyan du mesia.
Onipa ya de
osaye.
Jesse bona.
Ya awose bona baso. Na ye brutal. Na ye solid.
I think the post show yes here na natenase.
Sir.
Ne busa ne intentions.
There be intention ma ka ba no so man peyo onye. Ya appointed the minister bi kra onye.
And also the
but in the name of God Almighty. Me bompa igu na na etu enewi. Say on enya den sachra. Na o me president of Ghana. Na e bia fo ye ma akwa ba.
Yeah, prof.
Na you have a call there.
Oh, Nyankopon da Roma.
Na your mind is say you.
I say me na kan say no.
Na your mind is say.
Ghana the tembi o you be a wo doma Ghana.
Your mind is.
Oh,
na your mind is say. Na your mind is say you. Your mind is say. NDC MPP. Ade.
The TN say.
Oh.
O man be an opposite tumpon. Sa o man no. Say o Africa ha. I feel no wa sha say o tumpon democracy nyam. That's number one problem.
Democracy no.
She abrofo na nkasa no o mo sha say no o mo betumpon. No mo practice democracy. Do na na ye monarchy system no mo use cafe no mo dey etumpon do ba bi o madri. Na afi o mo sha say o mo practice democracy.
Okay.
The year afi aye tumpon na almost a person practice the same thing now more tumpon we or more ye no. How is that possible? They say o pe baby I say mpuntu e kokese pa na komedo east ho a.
Yeah.
Because of no money democracy.
And JNANA, so what do you prescribe for Ghana? Say democracy in Yema, no. And ka system be na fan run Yema.
No, they see any there baby I didn't do it easy so because of the system no so. Nti
but anka yeah
bet me
a
democracy see the best thing to do is say people should be well informed. Say politicians they almost do so we lose the election. See, when people are very informed, you know,
I'll make informed decisions. Then say be a making ye beto aba na wa hye bo bebrebe na wa anya. 4 years penny ya to abaneti yawo.
Sure.
And sana gradually the people will be forced to do the right thing. And even still na akwa no and shadan konkoboa. Because the akwa say obi bia na owa ban so oya ade bia na obin say ade be manatimi ya win the next election.
Yeah.
Ntino for instance, we could do Kaneshi and any baby or my yes Afford Bridge in India. Okosu enwura egusu ne esu ya yefi.
Na mpuru woni edidwa wo so no.
And America no say amanfo mu didwa nti na hwa yefi no. Opa kutuom, utuom ti se ye beto abati yawo. Omo mugu kwan ho omo ton ade a o ko marketer obi age no store na waje no nipa no etua tax.
Yeah.
Otua light bill afọ obi oye adwuma. Ne normal na oton wo store na mu no. Na amanfo begu kwan no ho a omo ton sa normal na abi. Ndi se nipa no ekwakota ade wo store no mu na hu se bi wo kwan no ho a. Na wagina ho na wato. Enti ebedu ba bi no ona na ono wo store on say wan hwe ye ono so be den onya market. No wa ha se atwene de ba kwan. Nti obekọ kromu na kwan ho ba bi aye poto. De tie ne say obi a obetimi de nesi for me say o or try so obetimi aso bo sa problem no. At the end of the day no obe lose the election. Because na ye adwuma na ato aba ma na ompese ebedidi na ebe say. Enti Ghana na party ebe ye a ye hia obi o radical.
Or a radical.
Or a radical number one. I feel so or a very selfless person. Nti on my say sika na obepa gu no botom opese obe your man yi. Because sika wo man no. Nti nipa no ye radical a say bi omo opese omodin sem hunu no. What they or sa wo suban no be ka omo ahye. Na nam say we selfless ni so nti no ebetimi aboa wo am watimi agada sika na na your man yi. Nti one must be radical and it must be selfless. Nti wo ye towards developing the nation.
But not always winning an election.
No. So we are say about winning election. They are the amount from see. Adia ni padodo pe bi anye.
Adia
ni padodo di eche bi anye.
Hey Nana.
You know see.
Debi Nana me watch
them. We na one from anoko si bone. Enye holistic truth.
Okay.
But better than 90% of the time no. Adia bon say ni padodo tu di eche pa no. Na ade na nchada moa.
Hey, Nana.
People like simple life.
Nana, mebo, with the trim keke na watu aso. Nana, mo watch me ya de bia mkoto adi po gusupa.
Baby, ane kwa baby, ane pa gu bebrebe no. Just for instance, say bia bako watch me asa mensa na we lane so. We ebi go head anye dey yi. We ye nice pa. We so dey I say ho ne ho. So be ko na hankwa na obi agu de anye de no. Me nkoto nya no ho. No, I'm busy here with you.
Sarfo.
No. It doesn't mean say obi bia na oye de na ye to no. Na aduane no fine.
Sure.
There are many things that people do.
Okay.
The better me chene say and na ye wi say we no.
Yeah.
Nipa dobone esen papa.
Nipa dobone esen papa.
People should understand this fact. Nipa adobone esen papa. Enti bone ya nipa do nti no. So once nipa do di ade bia chi a. Na your idea be why easy way, easy life will be the amount for the actually no.
Okay.
Many a times, that's how people act. And you know, say, oh, ya buying now say, your mouth 4 years. Oh, Baba, ya dear, Adia, oh, ya no be ya bebo mo, obiabo mo. It means that you are doing something that is not right. Because don't want them pepper pano. What about you see a gata more at baby? My buying being giga say, area be a would be a gata there when you banana yama, you bet chow. Onye the best 6 months. Ubunze obi abeko abontia kudina temze abana yeto abama na o haye na o easy. Ade papa na wo ya mo man na di no. People will speak against it.
Sure.
And then what I'm trying to say here is say sa ban betimi am man na koso yi a number 1 is so radical especially in Africa. And I be so selfless. Selflessness ne say sika wo man no omfa megu botom ni wabusuafo botom. Okay? The obeye ne say obeboa amasika na be your man yi. Ene bi omo no obi bia na so paso di nsem hunu no wo de se bi nsem hunu no ebe your man yi. Onzo kwa kwantu ma brochire no ma develop na.
Yeah.
Omo system is said that obi bia na opese obu mmra so no. Sa nkrofo na ye de omo yekuro. Enti no e kwan na da ho na ye de la camera bobo so. Yes, men come more than 100 km per hour.
Sure.
And no that you say men say. Oh yes, I mistake na. Obeko fie no. na ya ma receipt ewo where you mail mo ya charge o say bi oko over speeding and our cross red light until we are say won do o man na mara so no ye je ohun sika dia your man ye ya make what you say by so people who don't want to follow the laws in these areas for the because cross red light now could $200 na watch it cross no better 10 times so we see besa
nana and you know that system no enya dia ye mpenyimfo a wo mo memu ha ebetimi ama na ye dwuma Ghana because Ghana ha say u jump red light obon say kwabrane atu moto odi wechi pin no agyahye no
yes
so scan nyina no ekọ eye individuals kotokum
prof
yes
it look as if you're very serious people
you're serious.
I'm talking about the governance system now you're operating.
Sure.
Now senten baby ewo ha twukwan so. Na a DVL4 ewo kwan no mu a. Omo check
warning triangles. Sa DVL4.
Yes,
insurance ni roadworthy.
What
until glasses.
Too dark. You sika obetua. The na madam for be enam ho. Na omo che no say why tinted ni bi now say okay oni cash wo ho na oni momo ba okura card
okay
omo say say oye osani momo no say no oni momo ho nti card wo nti dey no money machine a omo betimi aye na nkwa my ho street
sure
the number be no mo dey my say individual be o ho number na omo dey man sika omo dey man no ni sika da send mobile money kosa ni pa na number ni so no say now also any scanner number now the man no nya buy number say be a DVL4 almost same or register for momo na ye individual be a man man who say scanner be call individual no ho and say e kwa ban bottom nti o ka kira me na so we sure no dey okay no so say bana make actually na me first say ka obenya momo anka send man me nanka send man number the man
yeah
why should we do this DVL company ka see no ya ban dey Ghana card when register nti mo ko kwan so akọ check normal so a man for my attention or Makabi or 250 Ghana cedis. I'll find on one. Then in a moon is our machine ya or Modegi scammer buying crop for. Namuko Gigi Momo ne. Even cash. Moje cash or a back on the bottom. Receipt now what the money panel.
Or better printing receipt.
Prof, the American say, oh, you're shedding very serious people. Sika a fat amount for someone enquire by one. Say, you know, acquire by one. And combine any problem bia but individuals omo ena omo di aban no mo bi animu sika dodo na ekom ho ma me assembly obi ka kire me a story obi kan
yeah
say na the car bia ba e wo portra car no more charging more than 700,000 cedis for duty nko
that's about 7 billion
7 billion yes 719,000 yes enti one hwana nipa na oye you know aja say opa ompe bi man obetima ye hu bi ama no dem ga odi o
metiopa
no tie aban afidie hu oye ade ama aban anya sika no o se obetimi ape bi ama o man be say 50,000 Ghana cedis a no na nkwa aban ko nipa ne botomu a obetimi aye ama na tua 500,000
look at this
prof dem ga odi ni ye
metiopa nana
say o tua sika na ma aban a best 719,000 Ghana cedis, which is more than 7 billion.
Sure.
Nipa no not TFD no ho you say opa ma 50,000 cedis. Utu sika na to my council. O show me receipt says sika na to my council man. Sika na say utu ya 719,000. Me find ways it means me ya obetua 500,000 pe. And some of these things trust me say mpa infondo na nim say e koso be everywhere. See sika no nkwa ban sam za o. Ekwa man for botomu because say you very serious okwa buruchina almost system research say it's very difficult for you to do some of these things and now you say you chose so you do best to example mo bia hu say oyense munu say you twa na sonsa no
sure
ba ya ha no obi ko wi aponche sesi ya ne wanya asam ya obi betimi akọ wi o man ni sika karaka na me hwe me tie bibi about say me wo me de today we are quite very bad.
Very bad.
Now me come once a man who say finance minister.
Yeah.
The video be all case Sa kwan about 3 other routes as an kabane yen is about $717 million no mo ye.
All right.
Sikani nyina no is supposed to make disburse ni nyina. Nanso no kwan nyina bia no modu ba bia.
Wow.
Oh yeah, me hu ye say one sister station na omo ye interview. Finance minister ke say $717 million.
Let's just say abandon that the chassis
scam. What just can we? Ba kwan no so.
E kwan no so jenu ba bia.
Jenu ba bia. Ndi say sika no say the man contractors no.
Ananse yamfa
mo no ye free system no no.
Ananse
must be done. People should be arrested.
And ananse ye this kind of contractor na kra no. Obu chemu no mo man half.
See. Me yenye serious o. Jimmy T when I'm say so if the finance minister is saying this, it means say omo fact no.
Yes.
See, it be a 750 say million. Yeah, the ya crime best me and 9. Sika no e be a fund we mu na wo. E wo mu say ye sika ni nyina de free. And our crime say yeah, be American you say road number 1 e be a 200 million. E be a road number 2 e be a 200 million. Road number 3 $200 million in your dollars so. And a road last one e be a 150 million. To look abomu a $750 million. 200 million no e say your crime ni nyina wi. It means that all the four no at the end of the day 750 million no I say to me nyina wi ti yaba na ba bia sika ne da no sika ne na ho na ye nya kwan ne wie ya eye nipa mienu pe na ofro
sure
ofre contractor no na wa frɛ nipa na ɔhwɛ sika no so no
sure
contractor sika no ya de nyina number 1 ane na onye kwan ne wie ye nti yɛ sɛ mu siw no court na bibia na maye ana contractor wo sika no 200 million ahena onzaka ebe amezaka 120 million 80 million aka na wenfa nipa no this best sika no patcho sika no de ma hwan. I don't think this is very difficult, but trust me you better not ho sa na 4 years na so na kwan na das na manfo e bere wo so nothing good would happen.
So that is why you are saying say Ghana ha yenya leader or ye radical.
We are very radical. Now we are selfless.
Selfless
we are radical. We are very simple. Contractors are there. Monko find it out. Sika he na buy na tua mamo. 200 million na dey kwan no. Ahe na buy na tua, ahe na aka. Aban ye wo sika no we nyina dey ama contractor no. Say sika no, o se ne nsan kan. Sika no wo he very simple.
JNANA says I share the crop of leaders are ye wo omo press 2028 after John Dramani Mahama. Wo mo be ye digana anymore. Do you see any radical person amongst them?
See the whole point in say
yes
me taka ne biribiya say Ghana ha pa say e betimi adi the way our countries be okoso a every now and then obekọ no hu say something new is happening no as say MPP ni ndisi nyina koda nchen
MPP ni ndisi
yes
also mo nyina koda nchen
me kind of actually I'm being very sincere this afternoon to you say on say see opa to kwan kokro bi a omo very serious.
Yeah.
Go to Qatar. Go to UAE, Dubai, to be specific. Even go to Saudi Arabia. Are they microphone yen now? Because on person or more chance no more challenge Qatar ne Dubai. Go there and see. Every 2-3 weeks, 1 month, I could be and you see something wonderful happening. Things are springing up every now and then. It is a Ghana per se ye tumpona ye mpuntu no. A yen tenteme be very visible. Unless the MPP ni the moto nchen.
Even our close neighbors, Burkina Faso, Shabranti.
Then see what me who video bi obi aye. O ma ye new highway bi a o ma dey to asisi so.
Yeah.
Electronic ones.
Electronic ones.
Now hear the way at here any approach there. Say then high. Then high. Ntimi me come I'm busy here with you. Me pa say me wo faith say oh Ghana ba be ye na do ba bi no obi ani. I don't have that kind of faith.
Because of the current situation that we find ourselves.
No, you're ready.
You're ready.
I say yes. Abana basui. Obey your normal. Yes. Obey asem ba kumi unions have to be a base 50 kura abana. But your development, you're too slow. Okay. My more example.
All right.
The very day you swear President Trump in.
Yes.
20th January 2025.
I
will rule over office for.
Yeah.
Executive orders to do sign. And no maybe I now come one sem when a campaign mu adi way me pay say me abolish adi way say me institute that day no sign best 100 executive orders. That will tell you this man is serious.
It's serious.
Because say his days are numbered, or only 4 years
to operate.
And in the short time, no one. But we don't see that kind of thing in this part of the world. Slow. The way I come at you,
yeah.
Some time ago, now I was a little bit troubled because I didn't like the way I speak. I speak too fast. So I was like, through meditation, I want to find ways and means that message and at least make us slow.
Yeah.
Because I was not feeling comfortable, so I make us too much. I don't like it. So through my research, I noticed that people who speak very fast, the reason is say, okasa, what the word mean ekasa.
Sure.
So you are thinking of things, and then no one will dream hono. Now one no eka. So among for the okasa and tenten, what it means in say, they think of things too fast, faster than in some so they end up rushing the words. So when I noticed that, okay, it's not a bad thing to be speaking fast, because yes, your mind is working very fast.
Very fast.
No matter a processing in terms of the way you were able to bring them out in the form of words. Me slow things, especially when it comes to development. You must be fast. See the whole point, and they say, Obi bia na obetimi amagana ye pa na obi a so ye radical, so ye very selfless. Na onhu ni say or your time based ne privilege one time based. Me were 4 years, me were 2 years. And until within this period, and say me share project be ase. Na bedru ba bi no be betra. So within the 4 years me sha say me wie. They make what they say. Until motor way na me pese me ya me start here. I said within the period now, mayor president, I said,
also, yes,
I may the next government, the Bano Mayor, Sikaya spending number waste. We go to Aquana to about 6 months when you now course what the way you're doing, I'm only in a bed to already. Share
agenda 111. A Beckham room. Share e-blocks here, John Dramani.
For 8 good years. Even though we learned there are some abandoning your home. But Bibisa will need a more. That should be part, it should be a priority. Prof, made I'm being here with you. Second a year, you know. And you're very easy.
A bedding. A bedding.
No. Because me, if you remember, last year, I can't for instance.
Yeah, because
I may suggest no maybe the government can do. Just a few days back, me said na delivery no.
Yeah.
I saw that. I'm saying I've been managing my delivery company for a long time.
Oh, okay.
Maintain BB say that. Meaning say your license be company is registered, but meaning they say me license be for delivery company. I didn't know. Until me who news I'm say, maybe some manager say is there anything of a sort? No say I almost say license be ni ayi. Now so what it means is that even though I am right or there, Ghana for do now more pretty delivery no. Sam ran ko omunim. And it's the government who say wo Sam ran embark on a so quite thing.
Now we educating.
Now we educating. Now we get dialogue with people for days, for even months. Now man for chance to say, yeah, mama deadline say one go register. Say nebeto. Now obi ono be a 5 years, 6 years or no ye delivery company be. There be any motorbikes now one thing onu nim say bibi sa wo hese so ye. The atiane say emra ye manipa. Ye nya nipa mamra.
Yeah.
And until we emra manipa, you have to dialogue with people. They anaba me who say yes minister and I can say hold it on until say betimi aye dialogue enough and say no no. I was very happy to say yes. This is the right thing to do. By hano they assume say and I'm say yam mra wo hontino yam kwa bonde kwa chichi nkrofo. What kind of nonsense is this?
Nana, say it again.
No, nonsense. Just because I am mra wo way am mrem. Nti sorry ya pe yam kwa bonde yam kwa chichi nkrofo. And I saw so many motorbikes and nkrofo because motor yan dey. She say obi a order na dey. E because dey because make a cake. E bi ade be perishable. Nipa no dey kwa konya ho 20 Ghana cedis. Watching the whole day.
Nana, unim says asam na wo kan sisia no. Enu ana me lawyer bi di nkomo wa ha. Ana na make asam bi say, okay, ignorance of the law is no excuse. And he tells us that ignorance of the fact is an excuse.
Yes.
And you know, I say, if you don't know her, now one is ignorance of the law, no, it's not an excuse. No, then they prosecute you with that. But if you don't know of the fact, it's an excuse.
The Americans say, yeah, no, yeah, no, my, you move it to me. Nipa ne person wa busy to me natural say me with to me. Share okwa bruchira.
Yeah.
But be a camera bo bia no. No natural bo say Hano is under surveillance.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes. But be a camera bo bia no obo so natural bo say hi. Ura ba bia e cho say hi here under surveillance.
It's under surveillance.
Ntin say wonam ho na wo ye bibia wonim say ye bo mama ne say de me ye ne record. Ye mpesa wo be ye bone no. Nye say be ye pese. You have camera and go to baby. No, Uncle Yanni and Chilling no.
But
yeah, poor man, yes, I had no camera or hand to open so you say, yes, say your goods are prevent, say, be being seen and I say, Tino, camera or ha. To hear you be a crom for now found it at the higher. Oh, he has no, I mean,
that is proactiveness.
By no, yeah, the camera back or Tetukum baby say, Kuyani and Chonim. So what I'm saying is, Yamra.
Yes.
I very good obey delivery a year. I mean, I buy a sale, a license been a year. Mom family bonting because Amra pass a person, I buy on your sign a signature. The Abbey Amra. Name Muna Mube implemented Amran. Mombra bonting a month for Mekasa or home and Casa or Huna month for yes, Oba your education, so people will not even appreciate the Sebi Amrasa acquired by bigger movie food. But a Amra by Nagia tomb until be a man 30 days. You better say, I implement it. To be now, we delivery company, our motorbikes, I would deliver, you know. As I said, we're a company in a year. As on your lines, the amount or riders, no. And yes, I bet you. Now, your home advert, your own announcement. After some time, the new Sabon Tena or Chenkro will be only no. Now, quite a boy, but will be a wire delivery 6 years, 10 years. Nippon names and maybe why. And there will be a ride the motorbike so or delivery na only lines inside the body and channel. Now sorry ya penny say a chicken crop for. Now Marante be me a chicken and say Kia so Mukia run been a packing motorbikes a good ma. Nam to winning in an idea. You want people to suffer? Kunanka say Jumanim. Kunanka say
Nanai. One say said the Udi can say obi ye de ne tu adwuma bia no a opese o kire nipa say o to me or power. Asamna Wokano. It is the regulatory body for deliveries. Postal and Courier Services Regulatory Commission. Mikrano and just say I've not heard before.
And even lawyer for Kono Moko school. Look at them maybe or position no money.
No.
Or more Moko school 4 or 5 years school Lord.
And where are they? Postal and Courier Services Regulatory. Where are they? We have not heard of them in this country. We have not heard of them in this country.
Painful. Most of the people now must see motorbikes because motorbike now one thing. Obetimi asorimu. Onya asorimu we are. There is na me hwe omo interview hwe bi because osumpo ni sa.
Senkwan obenya.
No, see the whole point is say the way no man no. Na odwen ho na I say enshada nto asomu wi. Because I believe say oman bia otimu a say wo tua tax. And into a tax every day for so every year be the first thing is a car expire when tria roadway depend you betcha. But why now what the car namson? Is the road even ready for the car now use?
No.
The roads are not ready for the car.
Nana Sakebu. Asabwe Matana I can severally on several occasions.
The roads are not ready for the cars.
The roads are not ready for even the cars to move on.
But
meanwhile, you have to pay road wide.
And no danche insurance companies are Ghana.
Yes, Nana.
How many people no moka konya accident? Omunya bibi free insurance for
claims no emo dem.
Me say ube
brepan sana wonsa.
Radio. Aban no who say okay insurance company we ebi a few onya ebi a profit be a 20 million. From that 20 million aban no agent be a 10-20%. Enu na hia aban no. Na say Ghanaians a omon treat sika na ma insurance companies bi nya sika no. Say be omo here claim bi no. Aban no will not do anything about it.
Yeah.
Say me won. Say me can't be anywhere my comprehensive. Me nye.
Oh, really?
No, I will never do it because I don't trust the insurance companies. But so why insurance and you bet you kwan so
third party. No, why?
Say me car afford to buy home bibi I will go and repair it myself. Share abrantie bi and it discourage me. Sometimes I you turn back in the bar.
Yes, me can. I check
young guy. I wa ye adwuma nya sika no so bi tu no for say onkonkoto
basis ni bi.
Nti otobi na rane Accra to
Kumasi.
Otoye no and okokoye comprehensive. Me you feel how much? By that time it was a huge sum of money. Also talk car no exactly 2 months. And a car ko nya accident against the all repaying yi. Guy no ba me ho na adi almost a year. O twikwan ne nsanka sa ne claims. Nam say na say comprehensive I thought say almost comprehensive no. Say wutua na wunya problem bi a omo toka ne kwa de ma. No say me ba wo ha ne e almost a year. Da bia say de me twakwan yan ni. Right I say me ka comprehensive mean because ne bo e pa.
I know.
Thinking say
it's about some percentage of the some total cost of the car now to you know.
What we will be our driver crew say what power nama na o car enkonko bo bi to. Ketwe bi kwa enkoso bi abese 5,000 Ghana cedis. Na ka say o kope claim e wo be o insurance na hwa de. O metimi adrag go be 3 4 5 months. Unya ka prewom na nso no afeso na wonya wo insurance aban no be push you with the police bi abegi sika na komo mo. What the government is thinking of and say, okay, company we wunya be $20 million as your profit. Emu 10% kwa buy ho. E no na buy dwen ho. Na omo no mu tie sika na company na sika na buy na fa ho. And it's not only now, it has been in the system for a very long time. Did I make us say, kwan ya nam so yetu ho road ready no. The roads are not ready for our cars. But you have to pay.
So now what do we do as a country?
No, sad. Until me ye ba to abana me company ma tada.
Oh, no company much.
Oh, yes.
This is about the third time you are telling me.
I'm telling you, sir. Yeah, but I felt say MPP in NDC for all these 32 years. You know. So more will be pound betting me Ghana at me dim poma. Ye bet me Ghana. I compare other counties in Ghana for and MPP in
Nana, you know what worries me most? Accra Kumasi Kwai. Governments go, government come. And still the road.
Me nimu se kwai na so mo yana so mo ma me papa ne bewu aminim.
Nana sakabio.
No, me say me nim say aban na say omo ye kumase ni omo ye bi omo kofie no mo ame na omo ye no wu fie nti no mo say omo nya no.
Aka kwase road.
Me nim I don't understand. Kwan a major road, Ghana nyina a major road no number 1. For how long ni? For the past few you may come me there. Kwan bi da Boom Junction.
Ho na okofa.
For Tukurumo sa na mafo hako. Aka ye wo major road wa ha yanka wo kwa 15-20 minutes go do.
Nana, our country is sick.
And me, I don't see why. What exactly the problem?
I just don't think. I sometimes
because I mean, yeah, enjoying that we don't think about.
But I me kai say time and I rolling city so no. Or can be afa MPP ni NDC. Or see these people, they are practicing what we call you scratch my back and I scratch your back.
Yeah, somehow.
And it's exactly what is happening now in the country.
Evidence to prove to that.
You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Now, go for brebe a omo ba ye de bia ye attorney general briefing. Akwa si saying.
And this is aban ba so because no more tell me from say operation Ora said.
Ora.
Akosi
Operation Recover or Loot.
Akosi saying.
Meaning, Nana, we are joking as a country. We are joking as a country. And when you ask the questions, what they'll tell you that they are gathering more evidence. And to the only evidence is now, meaning that you have the evidence, start the prosecution.
See, me can say, at least, you see, Adebia obi anye bi da no. And as a oh yeah, be here say obe bra dwendwen ho a. Say ade obi aye bi da wo so wo ye bi a. Just copy and paste. Say ya mra na ya bebrebe na mra menye say Trump bass yi. Ojigas obey bibia or can and nano as I say you for court. O luzu basi akọ appeal na oguso time na court in we no ye de oye no. They say oba or say immigrants ni na
or no are starting the action rather than.
What shall see all teaching grofo? Because they are telling say e be affect some people who are innocent. Yeah? But a lot of them criminals. Bibi because who ye immigrant na wa fru krum na say wako say Germany wako be a US na wo New York. Obi a wo ye ho akọ obi koko pay na wako repu obi a always 15 years a. Who say anybody adwen be na otim.
Adwen na otim.
Yes, obi a wo ye immigrant. Ebi kwa woni ba bi a woda. Na mo ye demonstration na wako robi stoma akọ lutu no ma. We are criminal.
First class criminal.
I didn't know. Aban no even though your constitution no some of them may be have for so ni so. Nti aban the person take a decision you start working out. So be the court. Wo ye wadwuma. Actually the court no ka say ompene a. Na once am konko ye appeal because there are a lot of things that they say obi a wo ye contractor. Accra poku aseni nsa wom hoyi. A very busy road. When you first saw I see Africa.
Nana, me John so. Sa kwan the cross SOMPA from your bank be for mentini. Every day. You gusu sa every day. Akosi say. Correct. Afraid now almost say Oma release 400 million Ghana cedis. E dey ama contractor na say omra no be adwuma e kwan so. Now ko hwe adwuma contractor the cross status oh yeah. Nana Abba.
Oh, see,
Abba.
I sad, but at times.
No, nya. Enso ya manisika. Nana yankasa na ye wo man mu. Apart from aban no. Yankasa timemufo ni binum. Ye suban nye nana.
Be no dey o kan ye because suban born ntin ya chusu panimu ho no. I'm for those who bambon in Tiny, I say, Yafa police say, Obi Jimmy and Yakina son.
Sure.
Oka say, Obi am fan adwin, no anya de papa mama na. Oka so be na benzana. Nka yin think I am police for any court and zano mani na ho. There are people who misbehave. Sana ni opportunity. And ntuno ya boka na ya to aba yimpanyimfo. Na mo implementing laws. Ntino me obi ka say amanfo nse say o ma adwin. Me say no, Ghana ni a onum suo na odi piota to abonten. Okodu Dubai se see ye onu nsuo na rubber no onye be hye ne botom. It is not about the people, it's about those who are leading us. So we a leader na obi across red light. Na omra na bonipa ne ka ebi kwa kodema ma de a che a. Ochina bi no obi cross red light. But obi di wani no across nothing happens. Ochina you be forced to do the same. Ghana hands you talk. No obi ball e woni fie no. No obi hwie gu ball gatanum. Ata video betima security ya obebi sa won say dia branti we ye ntimi ankoche no ka nipa sa ye chewa ye nya kude o ye chewo na ka ye doko gina Independence Square. Okay? See, me the way I me dwen no I think differently. Won say your uncle for bebe o ha ensu oto a o betima for mo ball akofie gu ayi gata no ena ye hu obi dia ba social media obi ye nanim ni na ya che no na ya bodwa kese ewo Independence Square na ni video na ida social media na obi anim no ya yi say sumasi na yes ano oni ni ya jeli ni 5 years ya dene ko na ya na take ne konsa wom
nana
na sa obi bi o hye man hwe ba bi se su eta obe ya very careful
nana Ghana there nana as we speak now the last encounter or 3 encounters I mean no nyawa ha you had made mention of the fact say not even the country can boast of a single airline.
Oh, yes.
She said, "And ye man paying A2 coin, Ako Japan, or where transit Dubai for about 12 to 15 hours. Ye man paying president. We don't even have a presidential jet. Country Ghana. Are we joking? Are we serious? How do we look at our president? A riffraff? I beg your pardon?
Yeah,
do we cherish our president?
And you need to go.
Because Enam Sembi Swa, almost so much it have for
more position.
Say some Sobusulo.
Now, deputy, Meno, I don't think it's even president or mine and Casa Ghana, no, didn't the national airliner. Ghana for you to come be being in ano. Sika yedema Emirates for yedema
Kenya.
Na yemfa
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Udru Addis Ababa. Na ko he omo airport or na aircraft to do egu omo tarmac ne so a. O see Ethiopia we dey no mo was in Ghana and take any one aircraft.
Nana. Say it again. Say it again, Nana.
No, Prof. Some of these things in Ghana hano. Sebi. Young politics no air tire to the point say. So what kind of kura na? And I'm say be an will be political party ntino.
Oh, Nana me
support no obedi watem.
Nana me de odi matem kram in fa because I don't watch there. Because this show I running, it is for God and country. We dream of mine.
Prof, the American say why Ethiopia?
There
was so many aircraft. And me say what Addis Ababa. Udru ha many a times no say omo no me nim say omo tunnels no ni show. Dodo na udru ha bus be fa o tarmac no so. Nti mean say plane is here. Na mo nyama stairs. Na mo nyama fa stairs mo see na bus be fa mo. So you will see the tarmac say aircraft ni go so uncountable. So many. Udru Dubai. Now we aircraft a good park a good yellow pre-park and so I mean kind of yellow pre-park and so no say na Ghana you need 10. Already 10 pe.
Nana 10. Nana your baho. You Ghana Airways.
Obi able to for hundreds of them to make a
Ghana Airways. And so get krom ha penyimu baako o man ni sika twitwi die obetimi afa. And so yan Canada che.
No, me anyway.
Yan Canada che. Asem we aye kan. Anya me na ma piti ha na ma bom sire mu ameka o. Operation recover all loot in somewhere bo be catch Ghana.
Sika akodi
nkrofo koto. Akosi sen. Nana, I mean, me Patrick, I mean, kind messages and about 200 messages, and I mean, kind messages, you know. Now, me kind messages, we are. Then we zoom into today's discussion about the youth and Saasa Kawana or more year no fraud businesses no more year no. Oh no, musu yen two mufu kakra because we share a year comments abana. I want to run quickly through the comments so that we can see because a very very bad. This is a country. I don't know what is happening in the country. I don't know what is happening in the country. The few wants to get rich at the expense of others. But sikana nipane di ye djuma no sikano enye nipane dia. Nana sikano enye nipane dia o. Ayeye nyina o memu ni nyina.
Omonkwa na omo enjoy o.
Omonkwa na omo enjoy.
He. Say sika at times ye bobo din. On say duma so ya me bibia say 7 years development planner.
Yeah.
Sika no man ye pese ye ho.
Yes.
Me bobo so bebiri ye calculate ni nyina na e be hia only $5 million.
Sure.
With this $5 million and the whole Dumesudian Mantemo Biano will be paved. And no dan China, you be see ICT center, you be see some vocational institute to be you be see dying for the aged. Me check $5 million and at times what is gonna be ever video from body and say, hey, only 5 million, and mama me just 1 year. Mama me just 5 million of this kind of body. $5 million. Charlie.
Mami kan masa woody day. Ana braso kakra. Okay, for God and country. If truly Shamaba, let me see this one. The rebuilding and strengthening of MPP starts with high level of discipline, teamwork, and a deep commitment to our shared values. Let's stay focused and united. Victory 2028 is possible. The battle still remains a lot. Okay, Joshua, a maneuver. Okay, transformations. We transform ourselves, transform people. That's fine. Eja Philip, Nana, I love you so much. Thank God Almighty that. I thank God Almighty. God blesses you. And this is Fred Ochri. Okay, so you go on. Let's see. And this one says, good afternoon, Godfather. Please, how are you doing, sir? That's John Adzi. And then let's see the other ones over there. I have about 180 messages over there. To just go, just peruse it and let's read some of them. Because I've seen. Okay, this one says, good afternoon, Nana Jana. Okay, this one's okay. Let's see. Abigail. Okay, so this is why they are just mentioning names. I believe it's transformation. I've told her I want to be a part of the transformation family. Yes. So let's see. Let's go. Let's go. You go. You just go. There are messages here. We transform ourselves to transform people. Just keep on going. Keep on going, because there are lots. I saw some messages over there that are great. Just keep going and let's see. Just keep. Maybe I thought Brafom Kakrabami. Brafom. Okay. I'll say George Asumedi Pokudechi roadside toll collectors. So Wasare Kakra. And then good afternoon, Brafom. Also, this one says good afternoon. Okay, Papa, hope you are doing well. Papa is doing well for us. Also, Ghana, also Ghana, bedding. Ubia ye corrupt Ghana. That is what he also says. Was it with the okay, okay. The nation uncle. Thank you so much. Just go on. Let's see. Okay. George Asumedu Pokudechi says 2028 I will change the system. They maybe say they know they will change the system. No, keep going. The other Brafom. Other messages there. Or see the machine self cry. He will logo it. But was it true, Dana? A lot of people have been arrested. But still, we have not heard anything. But go ahead. Let's see. But there's a message there. Ghanaians don't want radical leader. That's you. Richard Caspi says that Ghanaians don't want radical leader. Honorable Ken can do it. That was the reason why I was asking you that question.
Ken seems to be very radical. I mean,
yes, Ken seems.
It is not only the radicalism that beats me.
But thanks, Daddy, for your good advice. That's exactly do. A new knowledge discovered. Joshua, thank you so much. Ofosua Japan says that. Ofosua Japan says that wisdom is speaking. Nana Jiu2 over here. And then, okay, you just keep on scrolling. My selfless daddy, wisdom personified. Okay, so, Bevacho, let's see this one. When Bevacho, wait. When a Ghanaian gets power, he wants to express it so much that people will feel it. Yes. I'll say, Ishmael Baden says, So can this happen in Ghana? NDC MPP to stay out. This one here, I am not sure. Obrimpon says that, oh, Dana, God bless you so much. And Solomon Uzi said, Daddy. And then, okay, so powerful message says, Danso Joycelyn. And then, ignorance of the law is no excuse, but ignorance of the fact may be an excuse. That was what I rehashed later. And then, let's see. Buland says that, why not? Then the youth strike. I believe he wants to say that when the youth strike, everything is possible. All right, so thank you so much. Every year we pay roadworthy fees, yet the roads themselves are not worthy for our cars. That's fine. I'll say Amwako. Stephen says that I'm a Ghana. And somebody also comes up with an emoji. And then Prince Nate Kwame says that I'm just enjoying the conversation. Thanks, Nana. And then Isaac Kweku Texan says Accra Kumasi Road is a death trap. Dogastana Adole Aye says that politics, and Danso politics. And Danso Joycelyn Nabana says that I wish our leaders are watching this program and listen to wisdom speaking. And Ishmael Baden says that that's Ghana for you. Joycelyn again says, okay, that's a Bismarck. Also, Abonsu says that your interview with Nana is better than that of the. Oh, no. Don't no, please. I wouldn't go over there. Please, the only problem is we have is to maintain one president for 20 years. All these problems can be solved. Nana Teo, Or see, the only problem we have as a country, if we maintain one president for 20 years, all our problems will be solved. Then I'll come to you with that particular question. You can just scroll on. Okay, so let's scroll. Let's see. Okay, wait. Eric Yabwa says that I think we have to bring the white back to face Ghana for us. Japan, George says that, Ghana, if you don't take care, you will say terrible things. Nana, our leaders are very selfish. And Magnus, Cognitant, says that, Nkrumah got a party. And then, let's see, the other more says, Prince Atsu, Youngson says that, good evening, Nana. How are you doing? I believe Nana is doing very well. And Nana Kumi also says that we are living in a country with empty brains, leaders, only corruptions from Obuasi. Okay, so our leaders are paying. I will not mention it. And then Nana Denchi Paya. Wow. Nana fire them. Eric Yabwa says that our leaders don't have any remorse for the people of Ghana. And Nana Ufuriwa Mwako also says, God bless you so much, Daddy, for your wonderful words. And Akufu Ebenezer says, good afternoon. Thanks, Nana, for saying the truth. Nana One says, hope Avevo. And then David Boache, oh my good brother David Boache says that, good afternoon, Nana Ayebiafo, Jana Shaksus Dax. Wow, that's an amazing one. And Stephen Yadom says that the country should be sold. Oh, Yanton Ghana. Hey! Samuel Afo says that Nana One, Piao! And then Nana Kumi says that only Kennedy, Japan, Trump can save this country. Eric Yabua says that why can't Ghana just do copy and paste from our outsiders? And Magnus Cognitant says that if Nkrumah should come back, he would not recognize this country. Hey, is that really true? If Nkrumah should come back to Ghana, he would not recognize the country. Wisdom Okra, I'm watching the show live. Piao and Ayabiafo. Gabriel Malik Bedema says that the Attorney General is doing a very bad job. He is not working for the collective good of the people of Ghana. And then Kofi Atempa says that they rather copy and paste sexual immorality. And that's very sad. David Boache says, I am watching from Bediako. And Nana Into. Nana, we need you as a president in Ghana. And I have told you, I'm going to form a political party and make you the figurehead of the political party. The name of the party would be coming up very soon. Ismail Baden. I understand. Oh, Daddy, please. How is the president doing in this country? Eric, we should drop we should drop off MPP and NDC and try another third party. That is the wish of Nana Meba. And Dokas Na Adole Aye says that if you find yourself among corrupt workers, the gang against you.
Yeah.
They can do anything for money, and this is very, very serious. Yes. And then George Owusu Apia says that for our country to develop, there must be a serious effort to invest in systems that will take away law enforcement and any revenue activities from humans.
Yeah.
Systems must be put in place using technology.
Yeah.
Ishmael again says that changing the changing the president won't help this country. Changing the president, you will see Kennedy. You will see Kennedy. You will say Kennedy's real character when you will see Kennedy's real power when he is in power. So is that supposed to mean that people are doubting him as he portrays himself as being radical? Is that supposed to mean that Atipu? Is that supposed to mean that we'll see his real character when he's in power? Japan George, I wonder how Nana is selfless like this, because our leaders forget that they will die. That they will die terribly. Okay, and then Jonathan is here. He says, Papa, we need only 10 people like you in Ghana, and Ghana would change for the better. And then Magnus, Ghana should have been perfect than Singapore by now.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And Nana, you are a truthful person in Ghana now. Amwako, Paul G. Stevens also says that Ghana needs a military leader. No, I think we've gone past that stage. Yeah. For me, only Nana Kwame Bediako can fix Ghana. And then hey, Nana, messages in the Dawson. We'll be coming back to the messages right here. And of course, I'll be letting Nana respond to some of the messages. This is SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Wherever you are taking a listen to the show, your friend me PROF Abotchie. And I have Nana JNANA Aye Biafo. So we call a yes to Yan Dumesia or no Yen Kosohime. We're going to be right back after this break.
Techimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni Panina Swabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for Frone Wukumasi Techiman Kwaneso.
Yedi Roma sorry dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Rabajo Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa kahunina. Now when in Bribi, it can for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabatadie. Kahu na senyao.
Kweku, minim sawa yeshe. Me kraman nane. Now so ebony show one embasso.
Mane Honsepeno. Ebony Condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but double dose got as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo fi enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, one way sciatica expert.
I was for Yakoso Abamakwaba SOMPA 106.5 FM market to your power. We've told you, sir, when the time is due, activate the lines. Sky numbers above phrases so 0260 196064 0260 196065. Nana Jana thinks we need a radical person to lead a country as a president. There are other issues he has raised, very pertinent, very important ones, and of course we'll be paying attention to them. But notwithstanding, there's equally a worrying canker in Ghana ha. Now Zembrantia Waba Ghana, Saka Wankwa, fraud and kwa. Why are they into it? Why am I more? Almost more years are there. What are the effects of say wako ju biskana sa ni panakra okwa fraud na jinisikaro? Onum sum kra wo mo. What are those effects? We'll be finding out. Patrick, you could come on Sudan.
Prof, yeah.
Then, the bonnet temple.
Young could come answer. Ya can't here for say program here, the for God and Country. Yeah, some young coupon near some young manson. And call Fubina a boy a chidom. And the young Techno Spark 40. omo boy chidumpa and the social media ya ben one ni social media one ni Facebook one ni Instagram uni TikTok no ayo ho because na omo ko ho nyina Technospark 40 no na
no na grow but uni be Technospark 40 series phone e brutal solid correct. Phone e to nsu ma no afa wade phone on the screen no ekura ho den sa phone no so no kra no ebusua the memory ni gbagaya the picture quality dem clear na esaso ye stylish
enti na man pe no
it's na guys no to man no I swear Technospark 40 series e dem
yeah. The see there will be beer.
Stop. Uko Techno stores yeah.
Don't me how you cry market here. Yeah, the beer. And that the doodles into the annual from.
But make us some children so actually. I don't know many lady because I was I'm now searching. Yes.
I think I'll say.
Maybe again you just and I put your phone in the crowd. And I'm just now the beer got Technospark 40 na the crowd there. That's the way they are not tough crowd. Manu mistake am here no. No no go you need the chire me and Technospark 40 series. Yes. And I can tell them say it is slimmer, it is stronger and it sparks everywhere.
It's Technospark 40 number. Obi ango pebi.
Sure.
Slimmer, stronger and sparks everywhere. Fraser 303 980 205 0303 980 205 na kwajini bebre kra na kwajini bebre na yanko Electroland Ghana Limited, home of quality appliances, home of quality electronics and home appliances. Mekabium, home of quality electronics and home appliances. Kwajibio nafa ko fie say TV, air condition, fridge, washing machine, kettle, rice cooker, microwave, blender ni nyina enkoto kwancha ho de no na mfe nko fie na nko sei e ma nkoto foforo. Electroland papa na aba. Electroland e de papa na ba enti ko edwaso na kope TV, air condition, fridge, washing machine, ni kettle ni ho ne
me bacho ma enwie but you know something. What was the Electroland Ghana Limited?
Correct.
Hey, me say omo electronics no very durable. Uto a cherry.
That's right.
And again, Electroland Ghana Limited, omo electronics no. E ya be food eni bi. Se si asidi na nya hoden. A dollar na nim guas wo si na nim. Ukọ ya tete ne ma ne bo no so sei. Na ukọto ade wo so a ye ma 15% discount. No ekire no. Ye wa chade ye de be ma. Electroland Ghana Limited. They are everywhere in Ghana. Techiman, omo main taxi rank, omo ne backside na edi hwe ni mo. Ukọ Kumasi a, obehu omo Tech Junction. Oba nkran ha so a, omo be bia all country wide. Be bia obeko bia no. Obenya Electroland Ghana Limited.
Quality home appliances.
Sure.
Yam from our 0245 94 95. Our number is so the head there. 0245 94 95. And I say 0245 94 95 0245 94 95. Electroland Ghana Limited. Omosebra na beto home appliances. Correct pa.
Okay, now we near there.
Lexa, I am not saying be happy.
Oh, baby. Omnomri ya Lexa Company Limited. Omnomri ya
toothpaste.
Abe German.
The brush
no. Brush na no den yi. Ana sa so emoton. Eno anya den say o de twutwu se a ebe ma osen no apori moja.
Correct
one. Baby. On say ho ne ho. Ana brush so use a echere yi. Brush bi ho a use a enchera ajegu. But brush we there we bet me agbaja na brush we also we use was the gina ho preming
e be great
but use brush bi am na to aka me sem and me compare toothpick na di but brush we there anode come up na paste no so mint na ewo mu no nkola ne pe
come
and what was that e bi wo ho a your friend say paste ni bi how the paste and how bukra fono but this one is not like that
when we out
but we no nkola ne crap
refresh
manu ye twam also bi wo ho a na excuse my language, or what we call halitosis, but me patcho what's our problem now? Ebi o no or fasting now because I'm crowd to say I say nenum no akatu
now to chon
with TB sa me patcho yards toothpaste.
So no be kasa na hu so to chon
yeah na just say
compare yards toothpaste.
Na omukra say bi bro omutwe bi no omutwe bi wi a fa we twitwi na bi a be fresh ama obi sasafo obeka
senya tips na ba obi akra
o do obi sasafo obeka kire
na
obi secret
prophecy to safofo
ade
na na ba all night ye be bo mpa ye we
wama
na me so wama na me so be we ntimi ko dware na me ko ba bi foforo me meeting bi me ko brush na safo use na nye lexa de ni bia ti me
na nye yaz
ye ntunifo no go pen bi
anadwe me de ne be ko friend say Debbie anadwe me de ne be ko all night
that's your Friday.
Yeah, anadwe me de ne be ko
o chamba za kwa Chimota Forest.
Chimota Forest in the ko ne ukwada. Enti no ene de me de ne be ko me de ne be ko.
What tie from Lexa for 0501 619 588 0501 619 588 and Kumasi so 051 390 338 051 390 338.
Dia kano som kakra na ho me so ye besa ba so na me ko Nana Shaxus das ho na ye no edin komo Nana aye biafo. Hey na your friend is saying Duma first na e be ba so ho.
Yeah, Duma first e be ba so ye nyame bo 2nd 3rd and 4th January 2026.
Okay.
And you go so to ya the letters chin anti. You be say any bigger than the year no this year.
Yeah.
Ade asha say no had this way a second one, so next year be a third one.
Yeah.
You be say bigger every year be I say konanim. And you know and they are pay me hana me PR frame me. And I'm a P or frame say you know.
You know.
Ally sign investing was
minimum hopa.
And we pay omo hono no catch say Friday be an a communal labor room ye prapra
sure
to almost see omo members in be or how person omo boy and I clean up and to mba join.
Oh really?
You know for ne omo need do me for na ye cleaner. I have the videos here.
Wow.
I was so happy.
Oh, can we please share the video so that we can put it on our screen for our viewers to take a look at?
I was very happy. Say what? University for you could say now almost say the way I am about say free internet
hey Nana internet is free
oh yeah I said do not buy your project work or say you free internet
Nana was free internet to do
your free Wi-Fi and yeah Ghana the near engine Elon Musk they are very fast Starlink very fast very fast
hello
Nana mama feed
very fast.
Nana be ma me group for ye be ba be bobo sin free work akra na e de wa ko e group na. Hey!
And omo prayer and actually omo ye na omo nyina ne krumo for mu dias omo bonum na mu dias. I was very happy.
Oh yes.
Because a school for omo mumu na ekosua ade na obekire ya ye wo fie ni se ahonidi is very important.
Sure.
So they just wanted to be part of it because I did every Friday be a dumesuya clean up exercise no inti it's beautiful thing me hu ye inti me send video in the ma e be on betimi
and so I will be very glad because we want to see the videos because nipa idea say you know for you better must say so mo taking up that opportunity so mo so no mo be kan abusuako a wo so yan dumesuya ho na de bia dada no more clean up. Now, would want other universities to emulate this. Say University of Ghana. So I don't know if one day they can declare, say, we want to do a special cleanup within our area. And we'll see the students that will come out. But I don't think, say, it has not dawned on any leader to even think about it.
Yes.
It has not done. And young will be a dream.
Ghana, prison, Ghana, I'm for Google. Because who say offenses be a ye custodian no dey nti na ye masa ankrofo no enye social service adwuma bi okromu clean up exercise near no do sa no man obi bia enko jeli nipa no ye na akohye se menim se ye obi hye ma ye nya bibi edi wo mu ye di obi hye ma se ye nya bibi wo mu because we had the obi aya say nti ye jeli na utu say it doesn't make sense your other punishment a bit na many pan enye bibia na say nipa ko to prison na say feeding ka ho I say obi kokoto obi ko
but say bi more ha they say yeah, we had labor hard labor be no yo
say obi koko wi a the saying obi ko wi a aburo oloka miensa no ko wi a na ye de kotrum they say that got him 4 years
obi wi aburo longa saying
miensa 3 yes oloka miensa pe na omo ni jail no be 3 years oba no we di be 4 bags some banku no mudi ni mo 4 years we di aburo obi a bro longa miensa yari ni ko chiri budo oba do no we di be 4 bags and this is really big say ni pa na ko wi oloka miensa
oh my good god
other punishment be e be ya man be benefit ye
yeah
you go keep more say nipa na criminal life no 10% or no 50%
yeah
nti do na ko no mo ba no mo be ya
worst
why not say be find ways that means e betimi afa I mean ya man for ya punishing crofo
okay
e wa bra enko e bibia custodia bibi ni a ka wo area ho no kata ho nyina obe ye modwuma be 2 months
okay so Nana let's come back to yeah mrante ya wo mo ye fraud activities in Ghana ha sakawa bo hu abrante kitwa 18-19 ka wo twie na uhwed efia wato ni sika wenya ekwan ben no fa so nye sika no wan mu no mo scam yomo Nana it's I don't know I said the moral fiber of our society has been completely destroyed and some rante no they don't even respect anybody because say brebi atwemo say wonam na o sha panyin na panyin kurade a ukra ubeje but today some rante na wo de wo hunu no watwe ne trousers autofista edanato kohweke o yusu adwuma ben no waye do we have authorities in these countries checking people won wo sika they don't know the kind of work they do they don't have any business
prof see the attorney say the world is changing
yes
bribi atwamu no na yesi dimpa eyesi yahunya nti obi bia no ebo ne hombodin say obetu anamo obenya dimpa ba nei no ahunya de ho mfa so sin dimpa
ene
yes
ehunya de
ho mfa so sin dimpa nti obi di dimpa eden odo pa mo binya ni se hunu bi ope bia na onya sika onya sika pima ochena okwa amanfo betu edi nachi yes your politicians sika yi almost watata so sa you don't see them doing any serious thing for the citizenry but enam ne tumi ekura ne sika wonti no oka bibia e fine na oman ya beto aba obi a wona also ba be serve oman no yes okoche sika nsa ana wonya wasa position no
look at this wo ba be serve oman no
yes okoma bribe ansa na
jisa ukutue sika man nkrofo kun bi ansa na omo abeto aba e di amount
ni sa nipa ne ba ban ma office obi am be
ansa no so be bia
ti wo mze ti se mi ameti hai na me menim se o ma me position a me firi makomom se me serve nipa no me contest any election bia a Ghana
okay
because me ni sika me be mo bi se jena koto aba ma me because at the end of the day no me na me wesi me sika say ye to aba wie me constituency Sunyani West
yes
me nya letters be 4 from institutions
okay so Nana not to cut you in abusia for some call your Facebook was here university for a woman free UNE e was Sunyani akoka dumesua for ho and there woman clean up exercise e was Sunyani dumesua wa hwe abusia ma hwe from ho
I was very happy
ma hwe from ho
I do see the from the time we can be clean
I don't know me who say me to pavement no pavement no enti Ghana ha yentimi nya saade we bi wo Ghana ama Ghana Sarfo kataka ama Ghana nipa ba ko penalty be yes ade we you nana aye biafo jana and can't we also do this? I remember saying another professor solution me wa had through the district assemblies. Yes. It has fallen on deaf ears. Our leaders will not listen. Look at the capital city. A fee. Look at this. Look at this. Growing now, my whole concrete. I wish you have that's been the Baba someone would ditch him. Munko Facebook was here. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na Munko here.
That doesn't mean the back is one.
Yes,
black and white and that's been this is yeah.
Now where then?
Where their backgrounds I don't know.
Me ba Sarfo reverse video man bra me ya.
Yeah, you see you. Unte me dey go home.
Nana aye biafo their background.
Yes.
What NFFFS Adam.
Oh yeah. Could I see their backgrounds na come
wow.
Yeah, the concrete on your goodness.
And the concrete no gunu form was
concrete no. Concrete.
Bacho enebano. Bacho poso mami. Poso Sarfo nan okay. Nana aye biafo Jana. The backgrounds. Wow.
Onim ade me siwe no ho. Na ebeka 2 days am ye bia no. Nti mama am koye sign no.
Yeah.
E dumasua nkoso the backgrounds.
Sure.
Aye tua kakra awie. Nti a day before inauguration no.
Yes.
E kwa hemfie. Nti na say me brief na nanom program no nyina say de besi akwa afa.
Yeah.
Na bibia nkoye omo as a surprise.
Yeah.
De keka bibia awie na me kire ne say nti police station no e din da so no e be ya ne dumasua nkoso police station dumasua. And their backgrounds no so be ye nkoso their backgrounds dumasua. And I have said no. And their backgrounds me mfa me din ento so.
Oh.
Na me say na no. Nti me ni o mo kan wa be 20 minutes na ye kan ho asem ana. Na me say o medical kura atu sika. E de many pa na me say that time no kura nipa no wa ye we na wi 7,000 Ghana cedis for sign no. Nti ya de beti me ko tu sika ofro. O hene side onu abe de obetua.
Yeah.
Nti me change din na me nya no na ye bia afo jana. Their backgrounds. Nti I don't
feel
comfortable.
And of course no Nana, I know you not feel comfortable, but they have been appreciative of what you have done for them.
That's it. So I didn't feel comfortable as if say be as a DB now open now there. But now he say no, you should do it. They will say what you sika for sign already. They say change no so sika for I will pay. I'm saying I mean to just the sika. So we know inside the bit me for 2,500. So what do you come see why? But say be a program be na yen komia e be fa be 3,000.
Wow.
Yes. Ya na design be I said ya tie ne so your 3 rooms was so. Nti be a behind for program be na be be change ho a. Okwa akire ho na ya washroom e ma ne mema.
Wow.
Kama ho na be a stage ne wo inside ho no. Ya VIP so omo toilet and bath for say be na nanam stage. Na be a person koyo ho nya fe na wo be si akwa akire ho.
Yeah.
Wura ho na be nya be ayo ho yi. Your officer, I be a make a more ye, baby, I'm back and music, I'm keep them drinks at and then so these are some of the things that the 3 months in his year way. 3 months. Yes.
Bosomi mienza.
Yes, 3 months. Yes, I say a match. A match, best 15th March. I think first week in July, because the program never 27th July. Yeah, Juma. Nipa go home 300, 200. Chroma 4. Yeah, you try your blocks no more day back. Yeah, you like that.
So you see this communal spirit.
We feel say some of these things are possible. Say in 4 pound, bet me. I said they make us.
Kwame Nana Minchano. So Kwame Antubam Justice on Facebook says that Ghanaians have to forcefully elect Nana Biafo-Jana as the president, whether he likes it or not.
The entire NYE say. O man na ye wo mu no before say ye beto aba ma obi no gese nipa no etua bribe ansa and obi bia no onu tua bribe akwaje position no that should tell you say nipa no with personal interest. Prof, what did I make as a prof?
But I'm able to answer.
Obi bia na obetua sika say me position am pay no me tua sika ansa na magesa position no what it means is nipa no with a personal interest in there. na me anya me madom no na say me say me de ma hoodin eba be bo man na your money here. Why do you have to go and pay bribe to somebody? Na enye yi enye possible sa enye yi Ghana ni no to aba no on to aba ma obi ani pa na ba ye kuro ni yi o or pe obi obema ni sika to ni botomansa ena obi bia na obema bribe or to aba ma no hu say nipa ne ba o me ya ade bi e be boa or pe sika gu ni botom. It's as simple as that. Yes.
Na Mika scammers who has seminar. A branch be there to Facebook. Stephen Yadom says that these days the scammers in the we are see her baby.
Yeah, everywhere, they everywhere. That me say we are saying first no. You say the empire see ahunya and then to serve you. Obi da na car mu on say no mo di asakama. I was very happy.
Very, very happy.
I was very happy. I say how you na neat za.
Why neat?
Cause who rubber go grab.
Ayi obi odi machiko odumasia. Ya coronation no. Now who said the mantam high tea said net tea your own video you know before and after all you'll be shocked. Said the mantam had tea. I had to my need who did you connect from a bit my Freddy? Huh? With my Freddy Eddie. Yeah, place so neat and clean. Okay?
Hey, a branch used to say. As for the scamming, they are not fraudulent to my brother. Nana Mranti and Yantu Mufukakra.
The attorney say,
yes.
To see no nipa any disikeki sing moras. First now moras not to say Ubiko warrior. Yes, if you the menkomo, a cromfon one ufio.
Yeah.
Feel we menkom and then to serve you. But be a sika one will be a person in the back. Obi a person warrior my Usika what is getting. Nti sika ho ko hia se ye moras ankasa nti now no obi bia no ehwehwe sika on say those days na internet in ho no sika nya na a little bit difficult.
Yeah,
so obenya sika say obi ehun say you put in some physical activity or you kuyani maybe a business person, people have to see you working. But now because of we are sitting in a very globalized na bibia koye online no most people no genuinely no omotena dem mu na ye adwuma computer so the whole day na jumo ye genuine. All so many firms are all in common no communicate e juma e genuine and fraud in no sense the same system now you used to the genuine and ye
yeah
ndo che dem na dia you might think that ko juma be oye and so not scamming na no go so oye and now no scamming no a level be a say when you very smarter obetimi use see
really
because now there are so many institutions open on your deal. You don't have to go to their office.
Yeah.
So online on be communicate be through emails, through WhatsApp. Or WhatsApp ni kura wono obi betimi hack into it. Or Telegram account obi betimi hack it. And into what I'm saying is people are sitting in their houses and omo kura omo laptop and omo ye the on person omo ye. But ni nyina mu no it's because ye moral square na ekofom. And na nipa nkasa enti abrabase. So what ya brabase you will understand say ono broni bi a waye adwuma for the merant bremu na bi onye be 70 years e bi kura na nipa ne bi kura na yirewu e bi kura na o ntimi ango di akoko no nko na ne japade bi owo ne sika bi eda ho a ene na o manage akra no dodo na yes I love scam no mo ye no oyo be ma kan na ne broni ne chat so oyo ba obenyinya some naked pictures no na checha mani pana say am pass oyo ba e bia me pese me ne ye bibi na waje ne hu sika ni nyina obi kwati ma obi ko ton ni fie obi di ni fie kokko je mogiji mi waje sika na de amane no de yete ne say saa de na waye no you will pay for it one day.
Really?
Oh yes.
Wonti
obi ti ni suo na juma waye na brabo mu nyina wo de akwan bi so afa sika ni nyina afri nipa ni nsam a seed that was so you have to harvest it one day. A papa a man a bonnie a
man.
Telling you and say we are no bonnie no yet do to the point say nipa di bonnie crana on kai biu. First pa be a young crana ye bano. So what ya de bi enya crana society mpo ma okwan ma wonye. At times we are what so what bo bra bi wo ya de bi nya everybody sees you say we a different person. And no crana enough say betimi ai den I discourage you. But now no do na shemu obi ayebi nti obi ye bone kra na say bi first no beka ya so oba e bi on dressy na wa hye bibia say bi ne ho egu ono onam abonten na obi ya di da so a Who do you feel about first aid? Now, then I will be Hemisano. But now, no, be actually the same thing. Been doing about thing. I want to help.
Okay.
So look as if say almost everybody is engaged in this kind of things, and on the NMY, you know. But the attorney said, "Oh, to say and saying FBI for teaching microphone."
Yeah, Matipa.
And in this, I love scam. No, you're careful because communication, you know, these guys can have access to it. Your mobile phone way and your private gadget, people don't know. Say, I'm on phone him the cost of phone, so I would pass the CIA. Obi an find a phone to her. Na yendin komo bia about something. Be a gadget be di hun komo.
Yeah.
Ye na obi an find a phone, no ko Facebook and say you bon say advert be hun yes anu man ye di hun komo no.
A shipping.
Or the pen. And idea ho no.
So what's the connection?
The thing say phones no. Or more cameras no ne record the woman in the comedy in recording in. I'm telling you. Camera woman to say she TV I can say bobo when you I'm telling you say almost some secret cameras woman wouldn't.
Oh,
I am telling you this.
Wow.
TV na bow them when I just say when I TV there be TV in there hell. Yes. Why you say TV in hell? With all part TV about them I watch share would you come on YouTube. Advert be nyina ye wo normal wudi hu nkomo na be hu advert ne so. These gadgets no to say China for America be answer matko. Oko advanced countries wa.
Yeah.
Now omo ko crunch meetings, security meetings.
Yeah.
Omo say phone in the basket.
Oh, phone
for phone enko baby amoko ye meeting no. Obo so omo de baby say about to be adru ho the phone betum. No ma wura inside. They know say phone na ka say kura won da ho no. Ye nkoma ye di wo ha no. Obi a ono manipulate this device and betimi anya access to yenkoma yedi no. It's a very serious thing. And until what you now for don't call for now device no china back to atwene. If the time is up so much on becho. Because our digital traces no ya then it will always be there. I just said there prof we be I know your business be.
Yeah.
Na secretary ya dey bank.
Yeah.
After 20 years say you say a person ye auditor. Baby as you can fire, they will be able to track to you say, "Oh, account to me scan for free." The phones no kura ye no, yan koma ye ni amanfo e di, chena bi what delete to WhatsApp kura na. There are some digital traces on betimi trace it back to you. Say see ye no, what the opa say woni mo bi a o yes a FBI for ni o ma yi a. Oni obi ye call. Na phone ni kura no. They will be able to trace say baby a wo gina poten a. Wo ye den, wo ye call. They can trace you up to that point.
But what if your location is off?
Your location off, they'll still be able to find you. Because almost use satellite.
Okay.
You know, call not see a call. When you pick here, you bring your link, and if you use satellite phone Corona, they're able to track you baby a wujina. And in the man you say we are from where you best swallow. Maybe a time best one sky and what do you want for more bread and I feel was here by So the whole thing is two things. You hear moral life. How I to your normal because the ABA need to be a bit. And I got down chain. Your mra month was as it deals with people who are into some of this kind of scamming here. You're very careful. You guys see a young no who say baby because who did this kind of time I best on that time you can know you know Nessika head any ho. When was some share because these people, the Westerners, so more target to say be on your drug lorder. And you one day. A bit me take best 10 years.
No mo do echi.
Ye be di wachi sa kakra. Ye nya so mu a. No more enough evidence to put you away for life. Nti Ghana ha bi ehun bi ya de boni akiki na akọchere no. On betete wa ndi bi kura making drugs now ye na nya wo na ye the main guy. Obi adwene say wo na ye the big boba obi go so baby. Nti e be ya until say be who the source of the whole thing and sana o ma strike it. Di o ma strike no mo ni ba bi o moko. I say galamsey ya na make am say me. Boys no what pity ni mu.
Galamsey no ye be ba wasem. I don't ye be ende.
Boys no what pity ni mu. Enyo mo de ya.
Nana me say ho de ye be ba wasem.
Galamsey the whole thing is that they will track you.
I will ask you your option and your thinking and adwene kura wa wo fi say o mamuni adopt ya ye betimi end this galamsey menace. But somebody on Facebook says that Amwako Paul G. Stephen, please, not all are scamming. but cryptocurrency, crypto is also making people
I'll
rich
come there.
in
I'll come to crypto. I'll definitely come there.
Yeah.
But so yeah, I come from the more fraudulent activities online, scamming. Nipa na te phone or telephone the whole laptop the whole day. Na juma oya no say genuine no one knows. Na onye sika because people feel say sika bibi onye sika we are. All the respect in the world you get it. All the nice things in the world you have access to them. Nobody cares how onya usika. The hands of sika ni obi abebu even kwa Sunday mu kura na nipa ne sika onya no. Enye kwa papa so ye be na so mpanyi e wa Sunday mu ho. Oye bibia I be and go be on this guy. Yanka. Until a be as a can who be here too much to the point say Obi and found.
Yeah.
Quite of us will Yesika. Lady answer say Yesika. But now the Nippon can yes. And you'll be out na computer all the way and a crown for be home cryptocurrency.
A cryptocurrency in there.
No, and we dig it down money. I like I have an account. Obi to me account. Omu trade. They say be a Bitcoiner. Bitcoin said and then checking 125,000. Until maybe a what of Bitcoin be. Maybe your back be 1,000. A coin anymore. Now so Yesika. Until the whole world the non-fat baby, I had to was in the bedroom baby class. I catch no to crown any hobby. Sikan Casabaya digita. Digita, no to mean to say, Abia bank be Hona Scanugu. I dig that money. Until we are making it be a Bitcoin go be there more. A Sikaya critia, a digita. And said I yet tangible at the obit me assume. But the more a dim papano, not a coster, a dim body and a coffin. We are connected. I know there's a guy that came to me, my very good friend. I said that the matter fear war is like going to be over home by me. A guy who is less than 30 years.
Really?
Yes. And I'm okay. So I went there. Now who fear is like a very nice house. And I know they are into cryptocurrency. And into that time Shiba, you know, your quite be friend Shiba. So Shiba no or invest into it, and within 6 months, no one for so $250,000.
Jesus Christ, I do with them in
the use Ghana or the 240,000 cocoa fee.
Hey,
fully furnished, who finish you a very nice house. I mean, na say call crypto hono say or account na what to talk with him coins there some coins will do well within some period of time. Until you make money. A bit more day by day. Day by day, they say, maybe a Nisika or coin will be $100, maybe a way $200, way $150. Into here be a $100 no, but here could be a $150. In terms of $50 no. Now can 100 no, be a way 200, about 250, no way 50 no. Until me day by day, until now, a bit dream maybe no best $500 any Sika wenya. Why you lucky so as to Timothy until a idea is trending the whole world. A idea until there are a lot of people.
Everybody do.
Oh yeah, bet me do. Until a lot of people in the world, you know, me trade it through Binance.
Oh okay.
Binance app, no. Oh Ghana high, okay. Oh US, oh baby, how won't mean you should baby there, or many of the platforms are open to be a trading. But maybe you should Binance. And to me, the minimum, sika wumpa. So when him how I'll be for trading a year, you can make money at the end of the day.
Nana just a school.
So by a lot of people online, how much these things?
Oh, okay.
How much some of these things? Until say, opa, obey to me, aye. Until a wild phone so. The anytime be me so I na pa na ma check it.
Aha.
Well, you see, I my account back where I say yesterday I was having $157.
Yes.
You see, I'm checking on say $717 now. So yesterday it was less than 200.
And you wait me.
And to make me you see make me the first one about $500 make me a year free so.
Jesus Christ.
I wish yesterday it was less than 200. It was 717.
Sarfo can dance their own shame.
Billionaires in the world, you know. That's what they do. Until who's a coin we be a best $1 million. Now they are investing into it. Within 4 or 5 days, it will jump be about 10% per billionaire.
But it's a bit drop also.
A bit more drop it. A bit more drop it. Especially when the world market, you know, the economy, you know, and you're very stable.
And you're stable.
Affected with you.
Oh, okay.
But since the Trump buy, you know, so no buy say US government, you know, or many are say crypto, no. How bad the heck of cryptocurrency? Wow. You know, I buy the bad, they are ready to do it. You know, since So for time now,
a legitimate business.
Legitimate. Online as a stock trading.
Oh, okay.
As a stock trading. No,
okay, I now get it. I now get it.
For instance, sika was a treasury bills. Until sika no to ho no. Every 3 months bia na see abeto so. And no ya dey a okura note and kasa we dey bank.
Okay.
We know something of a sort. Usika wo no. And na wo dey akokoto sa digital money no.
Oh, okay.
The kosoro na usika na kosoro. But see the aye say me pese bia me 2000 abia say me kwan na me use let me just bia no amount for be obi follow me obetimi ato kwan na bia. Eh me na dum. Awanya lucky. 4 main coins are and I'm trading in. And it's always doing well. Like I'm saying yesterday, I was having less than $200.
Nana,
it's serious.
Wow.
Coin, maybe I'm here Bitcoin, maybe $5,000. Now say, maybe will be now we here, we buy me $5,000 cash. Now my transfer 5,000 they are to account from the amount.
But what if say Nippon upese uyiskana na uni obi a we interested? How do you get?
No, they say now there so many don't want to ultimate triaka with
Bitcoin.
No.
But you can't get the physical money.
And I make us any physical money. We na case digital money. Name will be to me equivalence in notes and kasa. You see, I say medium say it's for so many 500 from Norway. Some person me say, me nim crofo mu trade so I would just call him say bacho me here $500 so be jama me o say ane. Nto no say onu ba me cash and do send mumu. Na me so you we be no send them na onu be nya $500.
Oh, so it's a whole community on it.
A whole community on its own.
Okay, that's fine.
What I say? And now kwa broach there so many companies say be a cash kwa so ta obet me check with Bitcoin.
Really?
And when we are saying because CA and it's buying cryptocurrency no people should know say no na do na say scamming fraudulent.
Yes.
But now na be so and yes and it but wouldn't be
there
are so many other fraudulent apps near here unima what have so be and at least for Binance they mean say genuine. I've been trading with them for a very long time. Yes,
Binance,
yes. People are making genuine money online. I know you're scamming, but it doesn't negate the fact that a lot of people are also online and all that they are doing is
your boss has on Facebook. Somebody David watching. We don't know how to buy it.
Then come coins for but phone I don't have it off it.
Oh, that I'm purchase coins for no and
those who are already in that business, very good.
David, but how do I log into it?
And I make I say I just said the Facebook. Who download the app now?
App near then.
And I make I say Binance in your app.
Binance in your app.
And that's who will be open so your Facebook
our Play Store.
Our Play Store. Me so iPhone tino. We call App Store. To download you the same way be registered the face and be registered no. The baby say we but we know I say we use one case original name because on be your ID card. On be your passport. Obecho one picture. Until we can be send your passport and I say be a card that country was no recognized. Say Ghana card is there. Your passport your until on baby says information no. Who provided via verify who say genuine. So we say the world have systems to verify those things. To verify via almost try one case when in picture. Until you tell be a whole light in your camera. Now we try system no ever confirm say nipa na ni ID card ni no. Onu any ana. Until we are send the code we email at the by send you will register for say
yes, yeah.
And one no. But all shall say beginning no. Ube here kwen ni bi.
Yes.
The coin of being here as will be a me or coin be wo. Maybe I'm $10,000 will have here. My say with their 2 a coin.
Okay.
Do say will be a me pay be a $2,000. Do 2,000 over shas and over mammy $2,000 it be a cash and I was sending my mammy. Now so my send it. So I get a coin over 2,000 at the amount. So henceforth no say open say what coin be as the send money now they are to talk. It be a coin when very good at now you can buy. Now monitor.
Nana double thumbs up.
A great thing.
Nana double thumbs up.
A great thing.
Every encounter with you is a learning experience. And I must say that I cherish every encounter that we have.
Good.
And I believe our listeners out there equally do also cherish every encounter that we have.
Yeah,
and
I'm going to say Bitcoin is 116,581. Now, but it was 112,000. Sure, in the morning. So on Binance, you know, Bitcoin to see 116,000. But no pay 112,000. To be on $1 million, you know, from 112,000 to 116,000. No. In fact, difference in the woman.
Baby.
Until no be on no yes, can you say go. And now no pay be a Bitcoin, I shall say 112. Baby, dream maybe 120. No, didn't see car to atumun. Within be 2-3 hours, no, or bit my millionaire. The same way, so
obit me aboka.
Yeah, so that's one thing.
I understand.
So it goes along with the world economy.
Okay.
Say air cost, say air perform. Idea be brain no. Yebi. Very good. We a young guy. I will tell you, you can have a crypto account. Crypto account is very good. Until we go any day, no be a this is getting be a $500 a pay. No one good coin. No what told you to ho. On kohokra obet me dia to ha. Me kai say it's the last 2 years.
Yes.
There was a coin be almost will be your talk coin no. They say 2nd January. E drew December no. Say nipa no turn $100. Obetimi anya be say $1 million. Yes.
Sarfo.
Nti onya say especially coins in the eba new ones no. Say eba na say
na jai me BP rise.
The idea coin no say bi o ha eba. I say na eba mfoforo bi kura ha nya $1.
$1, yeah.
Nti say wo to be say $1,000. It means what coins be be. Na wo gya mu to na coin na bi ampanfo bi na techi na omu pushi. Na ade na nya $1 no. E koduru bi abese $200 ah. Oh, check how much money you have. So much. And
JNANA.
We are a young person. I mean, social media. You could phone. You could and yet TikTok.
TikTok.
There are things you can learn.
Watch up.
Some of these trading platforms. So no, bet me join. And I was saying, we are saying baby. I could see. And bedroom baby. No, I do baby. Yes. AI na ever no. A bedroom baby. I do baby. Baby. To you be away educated. No, crash smartphone. Men tenant de be out here TikTok when I was yesterday. There are a lot of things you can learn. Try not upgrade your home, especially normal internet home, technology home. Try not upgrade your home. Yes, be do baby no be mobile.
Now, in fact, the encounter is really worth it today, and I am blessed. And I said, hey, me say Sarfo. Abonitinko sa Sarfo ufa fun ma mo munye bi ma uhwe menim na ewia wa kire me enso Sarfo ehwe sa but Nana I think sir we'll defer our conversation of Galamsey to next week if you are around.
Hopefully I should be around.
Yes, yes, if you are around and then a bit of this crypto education. Because I know that there are lots of people over here in the country. Perhaps they have money, but they don't know how to invest it. Yes. But does the laws of Ghana permit it?
Oh yes. No, when you Ghana deal. Now America first Ghana where you okay. Are they international? Everywhere crypto is there.
Okay, that's fine.
And with the way at the end yet bank if you was there be na security save. There be online. It is a blocking internet there and no blocking. Yes, I will be at me. And I don't think say Ghana no illegal. No. See, me say Trump will launch a committee or mona or more to say be a crypto ni be number 1 in the US. Hey, Adia America be so we are singing abesum. What I'm saying is say sika and nesika nyano you boy a pana kwa 50 yen sika. Obetena baby adwuma saa na fifra to the now the whole world 21st century no people can just sit down and make money through their phones, their laptops, genuine money. They see a Facebook owner no or well to saying
it's not easy.
Billions of dollars.
Sure.
Then ordinary people are creating their app and what they been comes
look at TikTok
and people are making money. Say YouTuber videos are all here or we are not bad no. A man for na your advert. Nti nipa na no post video ni yetua ne ka.
Me advert no mo the video no me delete ai.
your art you be ha skipable be bit my skip be wa won't skip
no correct
the only skip na compose by force and you see many a times they don't even care because I hear they are no for mother for mother they able to bo akosi to YouTube now wo hwe no the YouTube owner no omankasa obi a obeka wo product abese wo ye ho advert na ya charge you say be $100 for be a 1 week nti be a ya charge what to yaka o no achiche man microphone nti $100 no we yimu say $20 na o de mama say mo video no ye be bo advert ni wom nti ono aye the owner no waje the chunk.
I now understand.
And I wanna was video no ye hwe no so no now so je minim ko for a every month bia no wanya kura no timia bia be say $10,000 e won account um yes just by video mo create o ko he amon for video na o didi o matema comment ni na o maniska
Nana Sarfo capture Nana me bacho o say dey
o he obi video na o
Sarfo capture me nana capture me say me dey ade Nana me bacho say
me say o he obi video YouTube e TikTok o didi na tema o comment wa ase o mani paniska
sir
yes
me da say
minimum bia every month bia no otiminya $10,000 e won account um
hey
every month today the answer on copy video be funny bibi not that one man for say no mo bo musam sikam kuma
nana yeah that's it for enkomo nsi yeah that's it next week we hope to continue the conversation with the galamsey and because it's become very thorny and it has become an in-house fight within the government of the day and we'll see if we can come out with prefer with some solutions for them to fix this particular menace high-end as of mine. Nana Justus Shaxus Das would want to say a big thank you to you. God bless you, but we are with you in spirit. And again, we would want to say that Nana program now no was Sunyani Duma Fest. We are there. But for sponsorship, number on Facebook.
I think I can give a number quickly. To see no per sponsors are on bois. Member program na because this year 2025 no ye de Kwadwa Ntwi koye ye de Kim Paluta koye ye de Grace Ashi na C and many other musicians said this year ye person ye de number those are and all of them you have to pay
a
show no free show get them ko ball be ko giska
sir
abonten na omo na man
dia every show
street jam and I look at that China many things we are doing
I feel that with you.
I'm for my business, no. Any person you bomb. Because just imagine, say, yeah, the neighbor say 35,000 to 45,000. Never do Messia. Do you be our tone? Say be a anomaly. Now for 3 days, neighbor say 30,000 up to 40-something thousand. Ewo kulumu. Now you can say one or main sponsor. And you know, anomaly be an ewo program na singing na won't go out company anomaly when they baho. To just imagine say nipa say 5,000 kwase ya twa de wo ha
it's no money it's no small money it's no small money
that's what we are doing nti number me de to dwa e bia make wo company especially we bia fe na wo product bi ba bo nti o nya
dia
na re fa bra na ye na won ye duma fese ni week na hwe
that's fine
the number bit me contact is 0541
915
450
0541 915
450 Ipa George you don't feel say do my first no per se be can sponsors in sure you be mo nya ska ma na fono last year the end this year 2025 no there's a shop will be a bar a ben stage be a both stage na wura de nyankopon
o cashin
o ko anadwo fan san de bar Guinness no mo fa kam kese ni pegu onya agro
Nana this year tua me ne Sarfo kantanka
momra
o de bi wo ko bompa ya ta ichiri ebusa for ya krabu nyina
thank you very much